What's the difference?
Well, Asian Truck Simulator, instead of being $10 like Euro and United States Truck Simulator, it's $44.99.
Oh, that's like more fancy. You get to.
And it looks like Minecraft.
You don't like Minecraft,
Imagine
brother?
paying $44.99 for a simulator that looks like Minecraft.
Between American Truck Simulator and European Truck Simulator? What's the difference?
Aren't they still charging like $25
maps.
for freaking Minecraft anyway?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah.
Ridiculous.
Holy crap.
Minecraft is a scam.
Oh, wait. They've got Flight Attendant Simulator. What the heck?
Oh, that's fun.
Welcome everyone on YouTube. We are live. If I can get a yay or nay on audio.
I'm in square number 2. Alex, I want to answer the question, please. I'll be an X.
Okay, thank you,
well,
Ben.
I'll be the O in square number 3.
Thank you, Ben, for letting me know. I wasn't going to accept the friend request yet because I didn't know if it was actually you. So I'll go ahead and accept that.
What? What are you talking about?
Truck Simulator in City.
His other Ben, Fitzpatrick.
Oh,
he
yeah,
had,
Ben thing?
Yeah, his account got hacked, so he made a new one.
Professional Farmer 2014.
In a private message. Because I didn't know which one to accept or which one not to accept.
It's a green icon with Ben. That's the name. Let me make sure. I'm trying to, before we get started and everything, I'm trying to make sure I actually post a notice to Discord. Announcing it to everyone.
Shit.
Or should I even worry about it? I don't know. Click share, copy. No, fuck. Yeah, not close. Can I click the copy? God bless.
You can tell this was made by a male developer. Flight Attendant Simulator.
Why is it concentrating on the stewardess's butt?
No, all the women have large breasticles.
Maybe.
Even the passengers. Oh, look. Listen to all the people clicking to watch.
Like, what?
Look at this. Yeah, there. See? That's the attendant. And there's one of the passengers. You know.
No.
So, yeah, it's...
Can I?
Yep.
Mention
It's coming soon.
Okay.
Edit everyone.
Airport Sim, Ranch Sim. Here's one I'm curious about. This one here. There's a Professional Farmer Sim. Okay.
I just finally reached my destination. Holy. This took...
Oh yeah, for everyone who's in the stream and is not aware, Kudu is apparently on Discord. He's playing a truck driver simulator because he's, interested in taking up that career path. He's apparently been putting in 8-hour shifts for no money to become a truck driver. Which also, by the way, he's not earning certificates through the game. By the way, the game doesn't give you certificates. It just,
I'm learning how to drive.
Yeah, and when I play NW3, I'm learning how to become a soldier.
But that's different. I have like an actual equipment.
I know. I'm just messing with you.
You can even be a paver simulator.
A paver simulator? Oh, what is that?
Yeah, to simulate driveways and stuff like that.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
No, I could be playing the land mowing simulator thing.
Yeah.
That's always fun.
Builder. Riot Control Simulator, Rookie Day. Oh my, that's some action.
There probably is a
YouTuber
YouTuber simulator, to be honest.
Yes, there is. PewDiePie had the game. I don't know if it's still up or not.
All right, boys. Well, I'm going to talk to the stream for a second, and then, I'm going to deafen myself, and then I will be back here in just a second.
Okay.
And I'll just talk with you boys while I update my dots.
You can.
So, all right. How's it going, everyone in chat? Hope you're doing good. hopefully everyone's day has been treating them mighty fine. So I have been messing around quite a bit with my dot files and my configuration and stuff for my system. So I want to talk about a few of the things that I'm going to do and have already done. And then we'll hop back in, talk with everyone in Discord while I finish up my dot files and push them up. I'm going to work on my README, so it explains things better. I need to fix some of the links, do a few things, update some screenshots and stuff for the actual README and for the repo. I also want to sync up some of my the wallpapers I'm using up there. So my GitLab repo is about to get much more, I wouldn't say much more large, but it's bigger. It's already a pretty large GitLab repo. So just so you know, if you're not familiar, I will put it in the README, but if you want to go get my DAW files, I recommend after you do git clone, add the flag --depth equals 1, and that will make sure you don't pull in all the history for the repo. So that should speed up your download and also decrease the overall size of the repo by some, not a ton, but at least some. So that's a good idea to go ahead and do. But yeah. GitLab is like GitHub for poor people. No, GitLab is literally just GitHub, just not owned by Microsoft. So, and I trust GitLab more than GitHub, just because Microsoft are not very trustworthy people. So I'd much rather have GitLab than GitHub personally. But so let me go ahead and show you some of the things. Like for one, you can kind of tell I've got my Waybar configuration updated. So I can show you I've got different workspaces animated in that capsule form. I have my package count up here. This tells me how many updates there are for the system. Then we got CPU usage, and then the RAM usage, the free space on the disk, total space, my Wi-Fi and the signal strength, and then my pulse audio, my default, like the actual ones that I'm using, the audio device for my microphone that I use my microphone to input through, and it also outputs to my speakers into these headphones. The audio volume there, and the time, and then my sys tray. And then I've got this right here, which is a shortcut for SwayNC, which is the notification manager that I've started using. Highly recommended over something like Dunst, Mako, whatever. It's so good. You click on it, so you can see I've got some notifications from some emojis that I copied from my script. If I press Mod E, you see this is Tofi here. This is my application launcher, so I can, load it here, type out a program, get a program, launch it. I've kind of just simplified the theme, made it full screen. I prefer it that way. Just kind of looks nicer. And then up here, I've got a whole bunch of shortcuts for stuff. I could turn off the system, reboot. This will load up my file manager, which I've started using Thunar, which I can talk about that in a bit. Very good. Loving Thunar. And then this right here will open up Pulse Audio or Pavu Control, I guess I should say. And then this one here loads up my music player, Ario, which is an MPD client. It's very good. It's based off of Rhythmbox, but for using with MPD, very good. Love it. And then this right here will mute the output or the input, which my emoji for the output needs to be fixed. I don't know what's going on there, but this opens up Steam. This one opens up Discord and OBS. So I got those shortcuts all in here. I can change my output volume here. I can turn on Do Not Disturb easily. And I can click here, close them out, or just click clear all and clear all my notifications. And it's all, I'm using the Tokyo night theme for everything, you know, the bar, the windows. I actually haven't done any work on the animations between stuff with Hyprland. I'm using mostly default animations. Like, you know, I've got an animation for the borders and stuff. I might have tweaked my animations slightly, but I could probably do more work with it. Demir, I'm sorry, I have no idea what you said. I only can speak or read English. Sorry, I'm a one-trick pony. You're a Disney movie from 2013 now? What does that mean? Oh, I don't even know what that means. That just flew like way over my head. But yeah, so if there's any questions you guys got, I also have a few different scripts. I've got, like, I mean, I can search here. Like, this is my search script that I really like. Like, I can search like the Arch Wiki. Let's search, like, let's say I wanted to look up V4L2 loopback. I can search that, and it actually loaded up this tab in my browser over here. So, and I'm using Firefox right now. I'm going to be doing a video about Vivaldi here shortly, because that's going to be part of my config. And part of my dot files is also this file here. I have redone my setup script, and instead of doing it as a full install script and, you know, hosting in a different place, letting people use it that way, just simplified it into a simple post install script. So if you install Arch, install it however you want, and then you can run this script and it just goes over. And if you chose the English locale, it, you know, it goes ahead and sets some default variables so you can just ensure everything's set up properly for your locale. Gives you some advice on what to enable and what you need to enable. And Pac-Man opens it up for you, updates the system. Then you asks you about your graphics card, installs drivers, installs the packages that I use, and it's got pretty much everything that I use. All the AUR packages, it downloads, installs them, cleans it itself up as it goes, and then CDs, make sure to remove your bash RC, like bash profile, and then pulls in my own custom dot files. So you have literally my system to start with, then enables the services for virtual manager and stuff. And then also, because one of the packages it installs to the Terminus font, sets your console font to the Terminus font at a pretty decently sized one. So yeah. He asked if you will be posting your config. Yes, I will be posting my config. So we're going to talk with the boys. I've got a whole bunch of people over in Discord on my other monitor. Kudu, HipDad, Alex from the Linux Tube, Big Pod, a whole bunch of us, Sanal. We're all over in Discord right now, in my Discord server in the streaming section. So if you ever want to be pulled into stuff like this or anything like that, if you want to talk with us, Discord's the best place to do it. We're normally on there doing stuff. So video player, MPV. I use MPV as my video player. Like if I load up something, hold on. Do videos, YouTube. Actually, you know what? I'll just play my intro. There you go. So, yeah. Enjoy the wallpaper still? Yes, I have actually set up, and that's one of the things I need to show off in my, hold on, let me add it to my dot files before I forget. Yadam add dot local bin wall set. So if I bin into dot local bin wall set down in here, let me change the sleep because I want it to be 120 seconds between each of them. but this is my little custom script. Just switch wallpapers, have kind of a slideshow of effects. I had it set to 5 to show it off at the beginning of the stream, but I do, before I push it up there, I do actually want to make sure I change it. And then I'll do no hup wall set and remove no hup. And now over time, we'll see every couple of minutes, the wallpaper will change. And there we go. And I believe I think I already added it to my Hyprland config already. Let's go back up to the top. Zoom in on it. Yep. Wall set right there. Cool. So yeah. We'll get all of this pushed up to the dot files, and pretty much the only thing to keep in mind is, and I need to add this to the end of the script to make sure it tells users, just go in and remove the specific monitor configs. Like, you can look at this to see how I set up stuff, because I've got my vertical monitor here. Like, I've got that on the left, and then my display, my 1440p big curved monitor next to it. So, I mean, the settings that I said are simple, but I leave them in there for one, because I need them, and also because, I mean, it kind of shows how I set up my monitor config. It's not complex, but I leave all of this stuff from the wiki in here just because it's good to have it. Explains the entire monitor settings. And wait, hold on. Let me go down through here. Because we've got SWWNet, SwayNC, Waybar, Thunar-Daemon. Yep. You can see I got some window rules for Thunar, layer rules for Waybar and SwayNC, which I'm not really using the blur on SwayNC, but at the very least, if you go into the settings and make it transparent and all of the different widgets and stuff transparent, it will actually, be transparent and blurred. It's kind of nice. I do also want to change up the colors for the RGBA. But yeah, let's go talk to the boys. You rename all your wallpaper? Yeah. I'll show you guys my wallpapers. LS pictures, wallpapers, because this will be good, because you can see kind of what I did. I converted all of them over to JPEGs, because JPEGs are smaller than PNGs, just in case you didn't know that. I know that'll sound condescending to a lot of people, because it's like quite obvious to most of us who have been working with images for a long time, but again, not everyone knows that. So it's good to tell people.
I live in Tacoma, Washington, right next to Seattle.
So we found out where Alex lives.
Fiber there, and I can't get fiber here in the city. How does that even make sense?
Because they don't like you.
I'm telling you, dude, fiber, once you have fiber, man, you just don't go back, man. Dude, I've been hating internet life the whole time since, man.
Well,
and
I
to top
mean,
it off, I had business fiber optic too, which is even faster. It was more expensive.
and how much do you pay? How much did you pay for the fiber?
I think I might have been paying like $100, maybe like $65 a month, something like that. Somewhere.
I pay $87 a month for 28 megabytes down and 3 up.
What the hell?
Because it's the only service available besides satellite.
And satellite is so metered, it's not even funny. Well, can't you get Starlink?
No.
Really?
You can't.
It's not even available.
Oh, it will be soon, for sure. It's available in the Philippines now. I'm getting ready to put it in my house at the Philippines.
Yep. It's
no, I'm paying right now. It's dude, I got 100 megabit, and I'm only paying $45 a month for it.
I'm waiting for Verizon is supposed to, within the year, get wireless service available in this area. The main thing they're looking at is because I can hotspot my phone and get higher download rate through my phone, but it's not consistent. It'll be great for like 20 seconds and then it'll drop off to nothing. So once they get that stabilized, then they'll offer it, and then I can just drop AT&T and add wireless to my phone service and only pay $30 extra a month for unlimited. See, I'm still locked in. I can only do 1 terabyte.
Oh, jeez. I have 350, 100. So down up for what, 60?
Europe has great internet services. Yeah.
And all unlimited.
I got 4G.
On my phone, I have 5G.
I have 5G on my phone too. The 5G rock.
I have 5G capabilities, but I don't have it on my phone. And what they did was they tricked me.
T-Mobile offer the home internet?
T-Mobile might, but not in this area.
5G?
Well, see, what they did with Verizon is they went and said, we can bump you up to 5G, and said it'd cost like, $4 extra a month or some kind of bullshit. Well, what they didn't tell me is that in order to get 5G, I had to go to unlimited, which cost me $30 extra a month. And I didn't need unlimited. I was lucky if I used 8 gigabytes a month on my phone. Yeah. There was no reason for me to have unlimited. But once they switched me over, I couldn't go back.
That's a scam.
Yeah, no, it was a scam because they didn't tell me that. They didn't tell me in order to get to 5G that I had to go to unlimited. They didn't tell me that when they offered it.
Well, for me, 5G was a free upgrade.
Well, that's what they were insinuating when they were talking to me on the phone.
I didn't even know. One day just happened. Basically on...
Oh, yeah?
One day we didn't have phone.
Oh, wow.
I didn't know why. Basically, mobile phone stopped working. It was intermittent because they took the antenna down, disconnected it because they were connecting fiber to it and putting 5G antennas on top. And then the next day, in the middle of the day, sometimes there were blips of either 4G or 5G, probably when they were testing or just plugging things in. But then next morning, 5G, and since then I have 5G.
You know, while you guys are sitting here having this amazing conversation, Zane is just over here just like casually power staring at his monitor.
Yep.
Makes me think that he's really enjoying the anime wallpaper, and I'm going to highly encourage that he installs this wonderful application called Anacelize so he can watch all the anime.
Okay.
Yeah. He'll be watching Full Metal Alchemist over and over and over before too long.
No, he won't be watching Full Metal Alchemist. He'll be watching Eminence in Shadow.
Oh, and Death Note?
No, he won't be watching Death Note. He'll be watching Free Run.
But what's he going to do with his Dragon Ball Z underwear?
That is a good question.
Go to the highest bidder.
Thankfully, there is a new season Dragon Ball coming out, so it's fine.
Okay. As long as he's staying current.
I want to wait till we get a better, like, I mean, I like this wallpaper, but I really want to get it with the blue and purple one. It looked very good.
Yeah, that's one thing, about Zero's wallpaper was the purple and blue and everything, and the combination of those colors was classic.
It's very good.
She can't decide where she wants scritched. Scritch is getting scritched right now. I'm scritching Scritch, and she can't decide where she wants scritched the most. There she goes. She's good there. She's good with that.
Cellular dating. What is Clanad? I have no idea what that is.
Are you sure it's not chlamydia? It's not chlamydia, is it?
I don't think that's what he means. Maybe.
He does look a bit like a Clanad guy. He might particularly enjoy the after story.
What the heck is that? What are you calling me?
A Clanad guy?
Let's see.
It's an anime.
Of course it is.
Oh my god. What is this? Hold on. Oh wow, this looks super
But
cringe.
however,
Okay, hold on.
it's
No, I gotta read it, man. I gotta read it. Let's see the synopsis of this. Tomoyoya, I can't say shit for names, is a delinquent who finds life dull and believes he'll never amount to anything. Along with his friend, he skips school and plans to waste his high school days away. One day, while walking to school, Tomoyoya, I can't speak that shit. I can't. I butcher usernames that are in plain English. I definitely can't do this. Passes a young girl muttering quietly to herself. Without warning, she exclaims, "Eppan," a popular Japanese food, which catches his attention. He soon discovers the girl's name is that, and she exclaims things she likes in order to motivate herself. Dude, what the fuck is this? This is the story.
Descriptions are best ever.
B porn.
They're literally just describing the first episode to you.
Yo, what? So hold on. The summary ends with, he spends his time with more girls. He learns more about them and their problem. As he attempts to help each girl overcome her respective obstacle, he begins to realize life isn't as dull as he once thought.
That's the story of every pimp. That's pimp-tastic.
So you're telling me that the synopsis of this movie is, if you involve girls with in your life, it gets interesting all of a sudden? Like, do people really need a story to tell them this? I live with 2 women. Trust me. Life is interesting.
Hey, Ben, Tyler, Ben's saying he needs an invite into your Discord.
It's in the description.
Yeah.
He doesn't have to go very far.
Yeah. For anybody who wants to join my Discord or anything like that, yeah, all my links are down in the description. I actually do remember to fill them out. So
that's good.
Yeah.
Well, there's a setting in YouTube Studio.
I know.
That you can go into and it'll set out the template for your thing every time.
Yeah, I still haven't done that. I need to.
Mine says, thank you for watching.
It adds all your links in there that you want.
All right, so let's see. It's going to change to the blue and purple wallpaper any second now.
No way.
Well, I mean, it might be a minute or so, but it...
Yeah, it already changed it. I'm just disappointed now.
Wait, it already went past it and I didn't notice?
Yeah.
Oh, shut up. You're totally lying. No.
I mean, I'm looking right now and I'm seeing different wallpaper.
No, I mean, it has changed it, but I don't think it's changed it to the one that I'm thinking. Like, I think the one that I'm thinking about is next in line.
Oh, is it the one that I made you?
No. Wait, which one? Like, did you make a new one that I just didn't know about?
Not a new one, but like the last one I made you. I like took your image and I gave you this chat bubble.
Ben says he's in the lobby.
Oh no. Well, it's not very like, you know. I'm pretty sure the resolution was very low on it. Hold on, send it to me again, man. I can't remember. Send it to me.
Oh God, I don't even know if I still have it.
That's my problem. I definitely don't still have it.
Let's search through my.
Hello, peoples.
Hey, Ben,
Hello.
How are you, brother?
Hello.
I'm okay, guys.
Welcome.
Hi, Ben.
Hey, Sanal.
Which Celsius are we drinking today? Oh, brother. It is a Peach 5 Celsius. One of the best. Oh shit. Hold on. It's on the wallpaper. Don't miss out. Mod S. Let's take a good screenshot. Boom. Beautiful. Now we go over here. Close out of this.
Go to Unix porn. load it up?
No, it's for my GitLab. But we could post it to Unix porn too. We definitely could do that.
It'll get deleted because of like some arbitrary rule that nobody knew about.
That is true.
No Wayland.
What? They don't like Wayland?
No.
I don't know. I'm just messing.
That should
messing
be
it.
a rule.
Yeah.
To be fair.
Oh. Oh my
Shut
god.
up. Shut up, Kudu. There shouldn't be no rule.
How am I supposed to enjoy my CSGO and my Apex Legends on Wayland, huh?
Get
While
good.
I'm stuck at 60 FPS.
Get good. Get
That
good.
Stupid delay.
Get
When I
good.
get good, you are literally putting artificial limitation on it and tell me to get good.
Yeah,
60
just,
FPS screen,
dude, like, look, I know you
like me.
as a person. You could easily just get good.
I'm already good. Don't
Well,
make me
get
stop.
better
What's the
then.
problem?
I'm not having this conversation ever again, okay? Last time, it went on like hours.
Yeah, it was great. What are you talking about?
Nope. Mm-mm. And then the conclusion was get a better monitor. I am not spending money to use Wayland, thank you. At least not for right now.
Oh, so you don't want to spend money to get good. I get it. I get it. It's okay. It's all right. It's all right.
Know what I'm saying? But
Shit.
yet.
You know what I didn't think about? I forgot to get SwayNC. I was going to get SwayNC in here.
Oh darn.
The screenshot. Oh, poopy.
Nope. Stinks too much.
Mm-mm.
You don't like poopy? All right. All right. Let me see. Zany. Hold on. Before I do this here, I want to go over here, load up a browser and go to my files. I wonder how many people will use my files after this update.
Want me to turn your files into a Docker container like I did with Zero Linux?
No.
I'm doing it.
Okay.
So,
My
Why would
files
you want to do that? And I use Docker
For fun.
containers for everything, and no, that's not a good idea.
Why is it not a good idea?
why not?
It wasn't a
I
good
see
idea.
nothing wrong with it.
I really
How do
need
you
to
use
organize
it?
my goddamn pictures. Holy crap.
And Big Pod. You should use Podman.
I use Podman. Docker container. I just say Docker container because that's the standard. In reality, it's called OCI container, but okay. And technically, you do not put into a container, put into an image, from which you can create a container.
Okay.
Being an expert on this stuff kind of helps to know this stuff.
Wait, you're an expert?
On OCI containers, of course.
When did that happen?
Yeah.
A long time ago.
Oh, okay.
When
I was
did
like-
that happen?
Yeah, when did that happen? Like, oh, Podman's like, ooh. Yeah, that makes sense.
Why do I have 30 pictures of the same image?
Because you stored it a bunch of times?
I must have.
We got
Zany, I must have actually deleted this image because I'm not finding it.
what image?
The wallpaper I made for you.
Oh yeah. Dang it, man. Well, oh, you know what? You know what?
Hey, wallpaper did you make for him?
He made a wallpaper for me a while ago. It was it was a joke.
Yeah. And he was supposed to use it. But he only used it for like a day.
Well, he used it.
Hey, Tyler, I got a quick
Facts.
question for you, buddy.
He's supposed to still be using it.
What's up,
So,
Ben?
Tyler, do you have any suggestions for a guy like me who doesn't know much about window managers and wants to switch to Hyprland?
Install Hyprland, read the wiki.
Yep. Read the wiki.
I'm probably going to do that. And also, I'm planning to install it on Gentoo. And my concern is that I want to, I'm wanting to I have an RTX 2060 on my laptop, and it's also got an APU. And I looked at the Prime thing on the Gen 2 wiki, and all it said was some shit about Xorg, and I'm like, this doesn't help me.
Wait,
so
what?
basically, well, here's the thing: the only options it has as far as graphics switching in the BIOS is only switching or discrete, and it's a really weird setup. And it's like, what the hell?
Wait,
So,
what are you like? What
I'm
laptop
saying
are
is,
you talking about?
it's a Lenovo Legion laptop, and it's one of the weird models that has not a discrete AMD GPU, but one with NVIDIA. And it's an RTX 2060, and it's going on a little old now. And I was thinking, I was wanting to put Hyprland on it with Gen 2, like I said, and I'm not sure, if it's worth doing it, because honestly, I don't know the NVIDIA support with Wayland these days, but we all know that
It's really good.
It depends on how your graphics card is. The Wayland, there's been a lot of updates with Wayland, so you might be able to just run it off the discrete card, no problems. The way that my setup works is Hyprland and everything runs off the Intel GPU until I do NVIDIA Prime, and then I load the application up with the NVIDIA drivers, and I've had no issues on that laptop, none.
Right. Well, my APU is where I do most of my non-gaming stuff, because it's a gaming laptop either way. But yeah, what I'm wanting to do is I'm wanting to run most of my like low-end graphic stuff like LibreOffice, things like that, off my APU, and then like what you do, run the like my Steam games, Wine, things like that off of or my VMs that I sometimes do and things like that off my NVIDIA,
Yeah.
So.
Well, I mean, if you want to just do a vanilla Arch install, I have like my install script, which you can go through. It's a very simple install script.
Very simple installer, yeah.
Yeah, like I've got it loaded up. Like you can see it if you're looking at my webcam.
Yeah. I see what you're talking about. Yeah. That looks, I'm going to say this right now, that looks a shit ton easier than building everything in Gen 2, not going to lie.
It is, yeah. So I just make sure everything gets set for your locales. You change Pac-Man, it updates, installs all your graphics drivers.
That is so much freaking easier. Jesus.
Aren't you? But he wants to make use of the hybrid graphics, though.
I don't know if that would work, but
yeah, you can install. I've got it. It installs graphics drivers. You tell it what you got,
etc. Yeah, I think I'll just do this honestly and just run Gen 2 in a freaking VM, because honestly, dude, this looks a shit easier.
Maybe you should be doing all this on top of Storm OS. That way we can get a Hyperstorm edition.
Oh God.
Yes.
Josh,
yes.
All right.
Storm OS Hyprland edition.
All right. I will. I don't know. Well, you know what, Josh? If you and Sanal will collab with me on this, you got it.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I don't know anything about NVIDIA and Hyprland on Manjaro, but I'll tell you one thing, brother. Like on base Arch, if you are like me and you have an Intel and NVIDIA laptop, I don't know if you're working on a desktop or what, but on a laptop, you can just run Hyprland off the Intel GPU. It's going to be great. It's going to be just fine. And then just open up your applications using Prime Run. And you can also even run them under Wayland, like force them under Wayland, and that will even help compatibility there too. So kind of just depends on how you want to approach the problem. You can definitely get it working. No issues. I don't know about if you're on a desktop machine. I know that there's been a lot of updates, especially here very, very recently with NVIDIA drivers, but again, I don't have an NVIDIA desktop card to test, so I can't comment on that.
No, I wouldn't expect that.
Yeah.
But in all in all honesty,
Yeah.
I'm not even like that much of a window manager person. I just happen to use
No,
one.
no, no. I know you're just
Yeah.
really good
Yeah.
at it.
But
What?
it sounds to me like
I
you're
know.
wanting.
Well, hopefully NVIDIA will continue to release new updates that improve their driver for Wayland. I know they've been working on it here recently, which is good. It's very good. Honestly, it's very surprising that we've hit a point where AMD's drivers are better for something that's in general use in the wild. It's good. It's refreshing, but still it sucks for you NVIDIA users. So hopefully it gets better. Really does suck because, you know, a lot of people go with NVIDIA cards, and Wayland is very, very nice. It is very nice. But let me go ahead and just while we're here and I've got everyone muted, is there anything that you guys want me to go over? For anybody who's like just joining in, I've talked about like my bar, you know, some scripts that I've got for selecting emojis, doing web searches for, you know, different things online, covered my notification center that I'm using, which by the way, I should also say, I should go ahead and load this up and play this. If I, like play an Asmongold reaction
What's he doing?
and click here, you see like it does. I've got shortcuts up here.
Shit. Oh,
Excuse me.
shit.
I can pause and play videos in my browsers. And I've got output volume slider and then, you know, normal notification center.
For you, Sunil, is that Smithpad OS should be using Fedora.
Fedora.
Oh no, this is the last thing.
Because, to my understanding, a lot of the things that you're looking for like Smithpad to do with Smithpad OS, the Fedora team also wants to be doing.
Yeah.
So, create a special interest group. That way, you can actually get like Fedora developers to help you with it.
Oh, guys, look what my sister gave me: a gigabit to a USB 3 to gigabit Ethernet adapter. So, Alex,
yeah,
I wanted to tell you, in Calamari's 3.3, I've been having some issues with that on Storm OS, and I've kind of been. Oh, there he goes. He lost connection.
No.
But yeah, guys, I'm thinking of moving Storm OS back to Calamari's 3.2 because 3.3 is still in alpha stages, and I'm considering pushing it back to 3.2.
So
it is cold in here, Steve. Very much so. It is cold. On your install on your fresh Arch install. After you've cloned this repo on your fresh cd and DAW files, set up .sh. Please note, this is assuming that you want my install of Arch Linux. My install script is meant for single drive installs. I don't have to, I can remove this part. The script does a good job of walking you through everything. If there are any problems, please let me know. Just please go ahead and vim into your Hyprland config and verify the monitor section works for you after reboot. It should be safe to delete all the monitor lines with names and work from there. Then you just start Hyprland like so. I should go ahead and do an auto start and rechange the wording of this to be, you know, read the, or like edit the config before, you know, like logging out or rebooting. Bro, can I get a push, please? I spotted a bug. Why don't you just tell me about the bug? What, like, why wouldn't you just tell me about the bug so I could fix it real quick? What? If you're not using swap, are you at least using ZRAM? No. Not using anything. Because I turn my computer on and I turn it off. That's it. I don't lock the screens. I don't do any fancy shit. The computer is either on or off. That's it. There's no in between. No logging out. Because it's muted. Oh.
Worth it.
All right, so
Yeah.
what's the bug, Josh?
Okay, so line 66, or yeah, so line. Oh my god, I gotta mute your damn stream now because you unmuted here. Okay, so line 66, you say that there is no, or like there is a somewhere that says that you use no swap, and as a result you cannot sleep. Well, you can sleep without swap. It's hibernate that you can't do.
Hold on. You're gonna address a bug with something I'm removing that's not even relevant to the script anymore? Come on now, man.
Okay.
I'm
Yeah.
kidding. I'm kidding.
I don't have access to the source code, so I don't know.
Yeah, I know. I'm kidding. But yeah, no, I removed that part because now it's just a post install script. I was, you know, trying to make it a full install script, but it's easier to just let somebody install Arch the way they want and then reboot and then run the post install script to get exactly what I have. So
yeah, but yeah, Alex, another thing. The Calamares 3.2.62 is the last one they're saying before a real 3.3 release. So, yeah, I mean, right now it seems it's just on borrowed time. So, yeah.
I would, like I said, just go with what is the most stable that's working.
Right. I mean, I'll still have my 3.3.0 build, but I'm not going to support it right now until it's fully released, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Because, I mean, you know, yes, Steve got his to work. I don't know how he did it, but the main problem with mine right now is there's a Pac-Man key issue when I install it. And I don't know what the hell is causing it, but, you know, I even tried going and making a shell process config. And for
now I got a question for you boys. Oh yes, Wayland does definitely work on virtual machines. Question for you boys. When it comes to the config and everything, should we go with holy crap, what was my question going to be? Wow, massive brain fart. Wowzers. I've totally, oh yeah, how should we auto start Hyprland? Like where should we be auto starting it from? Should we do it in the .profile? .bash profile? What, like where should we be launching Hyprland from automatically? Is that in the wiki? Auto starting Hyprland? I bet you it is. I need to let the dogs out here before too long. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go here before too long. So, but we should definitely auto start it, so we don't have to change that in the README. Let's go up here. Let's do this to be pictures demo JPEG, and theme I currently use do dot themes slash where's it, ls dot Tokyo Night Dark BL. Let's copy this. Local bin for the script directory, hyprland.conf, icons, ls.icons for my cursor theme, grab a Beta Modern Ice. Yeah, my Vim is very much, I set it up to be more like Visual Studio than anything else. I love Vim. It's just, it's easier. I don't know. I like it. You can easily set it up to have all of the features that you would have with something like VS Code. It's in the terminal, so you can have it look exactly the way that you want it. You have a lot more control over everything. Like, I don't know. I just like it. I like having, I don't know. I just like it. I prefer it. It's not like it's better than anything else or whatever. It's what I like. Let's see. Let's go SWW. Or Control Shift V. Program Launcher Kitty. We are now using, hold on, I'll have to change the names around. Let's see, Thunar, File Manager, Control C, go here, and go Thunar, SWW, Discord. Let's make them all lowercase. Hyprland, Avu Control. OBS Studio. Blender. And theme. And 0AD can stay capitalized because it's beautiful. And yeah. Where is Dunst? Because that needs to go to SwayNC. And go over here. Move that. And actually, you know what? Hold on. .config. Config / SwayNC. Let's do that. .vmrc. btop. .config / btop. Okay, live. We'll link to that. Firefox, link to that. MPV, link to that. Thunar, link to that. We'll actually link to our configs. Config / kitty. Link to the website there. Tofi, we'll link to our config. .config / Tofi. Hyprland. .config / hyper. Auto Control, Bash, OBS Studio, Blender, Steam, 0D. Yep, all those links stay the same. Great wallpapers that come with the config, can match with many different dark and light color schemes. It also has a high resolution, making it fine for any kind of monitor config you throw at it, not to mention it's sleek, modern, and abstract design. And cyberpunk aesthetic. Not to mention it's a sleek, modern cyberpunk aesthetic that just screams beauty. Yep, there we go. Using Waybar and Tofi for the top bar and program launcher. Gives it sleek, full-featured user experience with very little performance impact. I do not love Dracula. And now Tokyo Night. And for this one here, let's grab a cityscape emoji and put that in there. Many great scripts are included. Yep. Not only do you have great window managers, yep. All of this stuff is getting set up. Looks good. What's up, Jesse? How's it going? Yes, I very much like SWW. It is probably the best, like, wallpaper set I've found. Like, the animations are really good. All of it's really good. It's very nice. Let me close this. Move this over here. So let's see. What do we have to do? I feel like we have to do something. Ooh, Ubuntu Studio. That sounds good. Are you making this setup script for Arch only? It is for Arch only. And that's not because I have anything against any other distro, but that's what I'm using right now. And it's supposed to be a simple script. I don't really want to make it support every platform. So it is specific to Arch only right now. And that's mainly just because I can't attest to all the programs I use being in your package manager and all of that stuff. And I don't want to go through everything. So if you want to do this, I recommend, especially if you want to use my DAW files, probably the best way to do it is just, if you don't already use Arch, that's perfect. Do a fresh Arch install, pull down my DAW files, run the script, and then log out, log back in. But we do need to make, hold on, let's see. Do need to have auto launch Hyprland. No, don't want Waybar. Why is someone trying to use a service to auto launch it? Could you link the? It should be linked down in the description. The GitHub should be down in the description. Please let me know if it's not. It should be down there. You got me worried right now. Hold on, let me click at it. Yep, my links, GitLab. It's down in there. I do have quite a few links down in there, so. What DM you using? You can always hit me up in Discord. For clarification, the best place to ever message me is Discord. Yeah. That's why I'm really thankful my laptop runs Hyprland very well, because I have it on both of my systems and it works great on both of them. And as soon as NVIDIA gets their shit together, I think everyone will be able to have that experience. Like I'm lucky. My NVIDIA hardware somehow plays nice with the drivers. So I need to stop doing that. I'm hitting cords, man. I'm going to unplug one of my monitors or some shit. I don't want to use a login manager. I don't like them. I like just using the TTY. I mean, I think I could use LY. I haven't used LY in a while. Could go back to using it. I like LY. It's very simple. You can have like C matrix coming down in the background. But I don't think it actually supports Wayland. Ah, Sway. Okay, so it supports Sway. It's basic Wayland supports. Sway works very well, for example. I mean, all we would have to do is just have it. Well, screw it, we could easily do that. Pretty sure. Because I'm pretty sure I've used LY with Hyprland before. I don't like STDM. TTY. There's my boy. There's my boy. Hey, brother. Eat 'em, skeet 'em, brother. No, you can automatically launch it. You can. I'm just trying to figure out the best way of doing it. Hold on, let me see. What's the DWM one? Auto launch DWM TTY. Where's the auto start? I think it's in. Is it eclipse.org/DWM? Oh my god, just go to Suckless's website. DWM. What's DWM.Suckless? Hold on. Because I can't remember where it is. Oh yeah, it's in their patches. Hold on, patches. Where's the there's a restart patch. Restart, resize, restart sig. Yeah, alternatively you could do something like this. While do. Oh, that's a while script for XinitRC. Oh shit, I thought this one gave you the TTY thing. See, I know there's a TTY like little thing. I just can't remember where I normally find it at. It's been a while since I've grabbed it. Because I've just been launching Hyprland manually on my laptop and desktop just because I'm fine with it. but other people probably won't be, so we should have it auto start as soon as you log in. Aha, there it is. Yes. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. This if statement here. If the display TTY equals TTY 0, then do something. Vim, I think we can throw this in profile, I believe. Yep, dot profile. Yep. So down in here, but instead of start X, we do dot dbus dash launch Hyprland. Auto start Hyprland on login. There we go. Okay. Yeah. I'm not a big fan of auto log. That'll work there because that's what I've used before. So that'll auto launch Hyprland for us on login. So isn't it insecure bit to have a login manager? No. No. To not have one? No. Because you still have to log in. Like it's just there's not a graphical thingamajigger there. It's literally just in the terminal, like it's a TTY prompt. It still blocks out your password. It does, like, nothing changes. Like, all the login managers that you're using are just overlays for regular logging in to the TTY. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm running GNOME. Yeah.
That's good. That's good. Glad you are.
Okay.
Why have you went with GNOME?
I went with just whatever would install. I tried Suse, I tried Manjaro, I tried Magia, I tried what was the other 2, 3? I tried Zero. None of them would install. Debbie and I installed in 20 minutes.
Good grief.
Silver blue.
I will pull my fingernails out first.
Oh, gracious.
The fight took them first, so.
I don't do Fedora.
I don't either.
So
Hate
you're
to tell
missing
you.
out.
Yeah, I want
No,
to
I'm not.
Yeah,
I tried Fedora
I've tried
2 times
installing
before I went to
Fedora.
Arco.
Steven be asked to do it.
Yeah, Fedora's worse. I would not do it.
I'm in
And
with
everybody will use Fedora.
Jesus, what did Fedora
Why?
do, guys? What do you do?
I'm
Dislike
sorry, I'd
Fedora
rather
that
save
much?
myself the headache.
Didn't ask before defiling me.
Yeah, sorry, Big Pod, but I'll save myself the headache of going down the Fedora rabbit hole again.
Well, you use Gentoo and Art, so I don't know about that.
Well, yeah, but I mean, I've always ended up like pissed off with Fedora every time I've run it. So thanks, but no thanks.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
Ricky,
It's because Fedora does things right. That's why.
Exactly.
well, not necessarily that, but
Yeah.
well, I mean, a lot of people have questioned this of me, and I just, it's always had, it's always come back to the fact that, well, I've always had a hard time.
Zany, just to let you know, your a file review is going to be posted in the distro hacking suggestions, so you might be subject to distro hacking at some point.
Yes. Perfect. Yeah. I love it. I love it.
Yeah.
We're going to cross over.
Do it.
Oh, hi, Zany.
Hopefully,
is tonight a zero AD night?
Dude, screw it. You know what? I gotta go walk some dogs.
Yeah.
So what we could do is call this stream here in a minute. Like me go walk these dogs, then come back and let's do a another
Well,
stream.
Josh
for
is going to do his
080.
thing.
Hold on. Actually,
Yeah.
let me call my sister to make sure I'm going to need to go walk the dogs. Let me make sure.
Good idea.
I heard 0 AD earlier, so I gotta go, guys. And
Yeah.
we'll see you tomorrow then.
Okay.
All right. Sorry, boys. I had to check, make sure. Need to leave.
Yeah.
Hello, Nicholas. How are you doing? How are you doing? I saw he switched from March to Fedora, so here we are. Interesting.
I love having a touch screen.
Okay, so why is it that my drives seem to be running super slow on the server right now?
Probably because I know
Uh-oh.
that you're trying to resist 0 AD.
Well, that CD command literally took like 15 seconds to complete. Like, what the hell? Let's see, ButterFS device stats.
Where did Alex go? Because I need to let him know.
Error.
He went to go get food.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna shoot him a message. Hey, we gonna play 0 AD. Here soon. By the way, for everyone who's just joining into the stream, just so you know, I did push up all the DAW files for my system here. So if you want to go pull them down to your Linux system, again, I recommend you do a fresh Arch install, and you can pull them down. It'll set everything
it
up.
looks sexy, Tyler. I'll give you that.
Huh?
It looks cool, man. Very sexy, if you ask me.
Thank you. Thank you.
No worries. I mean, honest to God, it's convincing me to try it out.
I was trying to show you this earlier, Ben, but
Way
you
better
left.
than my dot files.
All right, hold on.
My dot files are trash.
Well, we'll
Yeah.
see here in a second. My wallpaper will change. Dude,
Are you gonna
to
show
me, I
me,
love the SWW effects for changing the wallpaper, man.
All right,
So
hit that.
nice.
What did you want me to see? Oh, that's a killer laptop, dude. Does that have a touchscreen?
Yeah, I had the touchscreen, but this is the desk is what I'm trying to show you.
Oh, it's a back and forth desk, man.
Up
That's
and down. Yeah. Yeah.
cool. Nice.
But it acts like it's slipping, so I might have to adjust it.
Yeah. You see, the one thing that's frustrating about my desk is it doesn't have like a separate arm that comes out the side, you know? That
Yeah, see how it
like,
goes up pretty
more
high.
stuff
I'm
and all
pretty
that.
pleased with it.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
actually
it's-
pretty cool. I got
Let me know how it goes, Reality Drift. Let me know if if you have any issues with the script. I think everything should be fine, but actually, I already see an issue with it. Should be user, not user's name, because I have no idea what the hell that's about. So, let me see. Can I just edit this in the web ID? Yeah. Oh my God. Okay, fine. No. Do it myself then. Didn't even realize I was logged out. Yeah. Snap. I need to react to something, dude. What's going on? What's going on YouTube? Let's see. Hold on. Alex put out a new video. I haven't seen it. Should we watch it now? I think we should watch it now. Let's see what's going on.
Hey guys, how you guys doing? Thanks for taking time out of your day to watch this video that I put together for you. Now,
We're gonna
in
have to
today's
boost
video,
him up.
before we start today's video, I'd like to ask you to please click the subscribe button, the notification button, and the thumbs up button. It only helps me out in the YouTube algorithm. Also, maybe take a minute to join the channel. There's a join button down there too. You might want to click that one. Help a brother out, if you can. It's only $1.99. It's not going to hurt you. I'm sure you spend more than that on other stuff you probably shouldn't be spending it on. But hey, who am I to judge, right? Either way, today we're going to take a look at some immutable distros.
Oh, no. I didn't even read the title. I just clicked on the video. Immutable distros? Bravo.
That's right.
So, Alex, you need to boost your audio for your microphone, but don't boost the audio for the intro. It's not overly loud. It's fine where it is.
Today's video is going to be
your audio's a little
immutable
bit
distros.
quiet.
Now, what is an immutable distro? Well, immutable distro is a distribution that basically is read-only. It comes with a set amount of applications that are run as a base core thing, and when it updates only the user stuff, nothing, or if it's going to do a complete, it's going to be an atomic update, which is going to update the whole image. And the only way, if you have a problem that arises in it, is to revert back to an older image that was a predecessor to that one when it last worked. So it's not like you can go in and fix the packages, because some of the system, the system is read only usually, and the only thing I think that is in most immutable distributions that is accessible to the user is basically the userland stuff, and even then, not a lot of it. So that's the caveat of immutable distros. They're mainly made for replication, and they're also made for rolling back in production environments and that kind of stuff. So
yeah, they're just not made for you to fiddle around with. Like I don't think immutable distros are something that you should be using like if you really want to play around with your machine. Like at that point I think you're going against the mentality of an immutable distro. But I would be very interested to see how many people in chat right now are using immutable distros. Like, how many of you guys are doing that? Are you guys running immutable distros right now? I mean, I'm clearly not, but your boy's running Arch. So. Yeah, so most people aren't. I think Kudu's dropped out of the call, so if I was to unmute myself, he wouldn't be able to speak up, but I mean, I know he's using an immutable distro.
The container packages that most of them use are exactly that, containerized packages like snaps or flat packs, or even like a distro box environment where you can actually use other, package is from different package managers there, but it's only in like the userland level. So that being said, let's go ahead and dive into them. The first one on today's list is going to be Vanilla OS. Now,
that's a lot of white, brother.
To me, in the list of
hope you boys buckled up
about Vanilla OS by far is to me the actual weakest one on here. And the reason why is because it's still a work.
No problem, Steve. Have a good night, brother. Take it easy.
For sure. It says it's going to be your next operating system, but at the moment, it's not. I mean, it's definitely.
Dude, like my eyes are
one of those operating systems that is, like I said, still has a lot of work to do on it. It's very, youth. It's not the youngest one of a lot of them, and it has taken on a lot of work.
Holy crap! We stay on this screen for a long time.
Like it's Ubuntu and Debian based, so it's actually having to work with the constraint of a lot of software, stability and stuff. Not stability, but porting of packages and stuff like that. So I mean, it's like I said, it's a work in progress. But that being said, it will be rock solid because it's based off of rock solid distribution. So the updates that it rolls out are going to be probably behind, and it's going to be, stable. So there you go. So I mean, it makes it makes the justification of using it that way. And also it's one of the ones that uses a DistroBox like function for, using your apps, and it has to, because, with snaps being the main thing for Ubuntu, they don't want to incorporate all those snaps and stuff like that into it. It's probably better to use a DistroBox on it. So that's kind of cool in its sense. Now, as far as I've done a review on it and it's okay. Like I said, it's still a work in progress. If you have used it, comment down below, let me know. But like I said, it's probably the weakest one.
I don't know. So does anyone here use Vanilla OS? I don't know that many people are using it. Scott, what's good? That's not Twitch. Hell no, dude. Nah. We ain't doing nothing over on Twitch, brother. Nothing on Twitch. I tried BlendOS. Yeah, I've heard some good things about BlendOS, but I don't know. I don't see many people using Vanilla OS. I do hear good things about it, but I know it's not a distro for me, so I probably won't ever really check it out, and even if I did, my opinion wouldn't mean that much on it because it's not something I would enjoy using. I don't have a reason to use it. I'm sure I could get by using it and find it just fine, but it's not something that I would love using. So hated it. All right. So let's see. What is his thoughts on Fedora Silverblue?
Linux desktop environment. It ships with the entire system provided. It is also one of those that it's kind of based like Android and Chromebook OS and Mac OS in the sense that,
hold on.
I actually didn't think I'd ever see it. I just didn't. It was just surprised me. So I went looking through Twitch and Jay's 2 cents. Jay was playing Battlefield 2042, and he was just having fun with friends and stuff. And I was watching, and he kept commenting that he was stoned. He had ate some edibles.
Jay's 2 cents?
Yeah, he was wasted as fuck, man.
Dude, I didn't know he took edibles.
Yeah, but what was funny is when he was doing it, he was he said, "I can aim a lot better now, and I'm flying, and I'm doing much better at this game now." Says, I should do this more often. It was funny. He wasn't, but what was funny is he was still his goofy self. He wasn't acting
of course.
Just mellowed. He was just. But he was like, yeah, he said, this is the best I've done in ages.
Well, I got a question for you boys.
Yeah.
Do you guys have 0AD installed?
17.
No.
I'm currently trying to figure out how to reverse engineer this Debian setup script for a distro.
That's fine. So look, I'm going to go have to walk dogs. I'm going to leave it up to chat. I'm going to throw up a poll on whether or not I end the stream or I literally just get up and go to my grandparents and let you guys run the stream.
Right.
Now,
oh God.
Now, hold on. If I leave and leave the stream up for you guys, there can be no funny business while I'm gone. Okay? As long as you don't get me banned or cause any problems, we're fine. Also, don't piss off people, but I really don't have to tell you guys that. You'll be fine.
Well,
unless Josh starts, submitting bug reports to my chat, then we're going to have problems. But,
no, sir. You push to the .files, which means that I can totally sit there and put all the bug reports there.
That is true.
Yep.
I mean, if you want to just tear into my .files while I'm gone, that's fine.
That's gonna be like next week's distro hacking, or no, not next week's. Nope, not next week's. No, not even tonight's. That's like next year.
No, do it tonight. Why not?
Not tonight. Not tonight. People gotta vote for it.
Yep, we already did the Debian thing.
People got to vote for it?
Yeah. Do you not know how distro hacking works anymore?
I do know how it works for it, but like, I was more of implying like, do I need to throw a poll up in my stream and just like override yours?
No, you
with
need
more votes.
Y'all need
Invite
to
people
hop
to
into
his-
my Discord and
Yep.
and vote for it in the appropriate section.
Okay,
Yeah.
hold
That's
on.
how it works.
Hold on.
They all have to join Josh's Discord.
Hold on. Invite, use copy. Okay. Wait, hold on. Edit invite link. No limit. Yep. Copy. Let's paste that BS in here. So
There you go.
everyone can come join a server.
Okay.
And then hold on. Where do we need to vote at?
So you go to the distro hacking section in the channels.
Why can I not find it? Oh my god, there it is. Okay.
Because it's towards the bottom. I've been trying to figure out like how to organize the Discord for a while.
Suggestions.
You go
there we
to
go.
suggestions, the forums, right?
Yeah.
Holy crap! I
Yeah.
really have never made a suggestion for this.
Yeah, and then you see where it says fix Zenny's dot files. You click the thumbs up button, and that's how you vote for it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Sorry I took so long, Josh.
Wow,
there
man,
you go.
I need to do my Discord up like this. This is way freaking better.
Yeah,
Than how I do
the way
things.
that
Holy
okay,
crap.
so the way that this works is that anybody can make a suggestion, and whatever has the most votes as of 6 p.m. So that you've got 48 minutes. Whatever has the most votes at that point is what we do tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah, my suggestion about how to fart in public never did go anywhere.
Nah.
That's no bueno. All right, boys. Well, so if everyone could just do me a massive solid vote on that, because I want to see him tear into my dot files. I want to see what's broken. I want to see what I need to fix.
Huh. Oh god. I just finished copying Debbie into my flash drive.
What keeps us on Discord versus Matrix? Okay,
Community.
so yeah, first off, there's more users on Discord, but even past that, Matrix has some glaring flaws, being that there are no solid, reliable clients with the feature set that Discord has, and the feature set that especially content creators and podcasters need. So, yeah. Because like I need an all-in-one messaging application that I can do video, voice calls, messages, all of that stuff on, all in one place. And Element is just not reliable enough for that. Technically, it can do it, but it crashes. So
Yeah, and the Jitsi integration was flawed.
yeah, but they are working on improving that. So I do think like within the next couple of years, like Element will be a solid competitor for Discord, but it's taking them a while to get there, which I don't blame them for. It's not an easy software to build.
Yeah.
And they're having to improve a lot on the base of Jitsi technology for large video conferencing calls, which is not an easy task to do, especially if you want to keep things secure. So,
And we did try it, but one of the things that I didn't like when we did try it, when you would go to look at a channel, the channel conversations were one-sided. It was like two people filling up all the discussion.
well, again, that's just because there's not that many people there.
The usability of it is far worse in general.
Yeah.
No. Now, I mean, that's not to say Discord is perfect. I don't think anyone in here is going to imply that. The Discord is not fucking perfect, but it is more reliable. So
This is hilarious. I mean, the Zero Linux Debian is outpacing fixing Tyler's dot files right now.
It's been like that for a while because it's been fairly static page.
That's pretty. That's actually pretty funny if you ask.
Come on, vote for you, Blue.
come on, boys. All right, look, I put the Discord link in chat. If you boys could join his Discord, I don't care if you just join to click this one button and then leave. If you boys could, just vote to fix my dot files. Thank you. Thank you, whoever just did that. Kisses. Thank you very much. Much appreciated. Just
That was me.
go on into his dot file. Stick around on his server because, Josh does do
Kiss.
some cool, interesting stuff. Also, if you want to
Yes, he
learn something,
does.
stay on his
Wait.
Discord.
Guys, I just had a funny idea to go on top of fixing Tyler's dot files.
What's that?
I just came up with a killer idea. Fixing Tyler's dot files and putting it in a Debian ISO. That could be really cool.
No, it's built for Arch.
I still haven't been able to get Hyprland to build properly on Debian.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
not really
that's a
a thing.
valid point. That's not gonna work.
I know that Alex has, so and he said that
I don't know if he'd
you
be
have to make
available.
well, and I know that he said that all you had to do was just make some changes to the make file, but I forget the patch that he made for it.
Dude.
Yeah, never
People
mind.
booing Arch in my Discord. What's happening? Right now?
Yes, I am. You know I have issues with Arch.
I have.
Yeah, but you have Arch. Like, look, Josh, you have issues with every distro.
Of course I do.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. So why you gonna be out here just booing Arch? You know, like, come on now. Come on.
Because at least the other distros want me to help them.
Because
Oh, come on, man. You complain all the time about distros not liking your, bug reports and offering help and suggestions. It's one of your main complaints.
I have a complete noob question that I've probably wondered about since 1993 in Red Hat.
What's that?
What exactly is bootstrapping?
So
rootfs by hand.
I didn't hear what you said.
So you know how on the normal Arch you do packstrap when you do the by hand install. That's bootstrapping. That thing does bootstrapping. It lays down the root file system.
Bootstrap.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, basically just like grab a tarball or an image, throw it on a system, and then manually configure everything up from there.
Oh, okay. Well, Zanies is up to 5.
Yep.
Needs 2 more to get ahead.
I was just typing out a message in chat, and also sorry for coughing into the mic, boys. But can we, boys, we are so close. Come on, chat. I know there's plenty of y'all in here. Get on this man's Discord. Vote it up. We need more votes. I want him checking out my DAW files tonight.
Now, what if the poop icon outvotes the thumbs up? Does that mean it loses?
It's invalidated.
It's invalidated? Okay.
At that point.
So then, we need to increase the poop icon on the Zero Linux Debian edition.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna go.
Well, while you guys sit there and figure that out, I'm going to go find myself some food.
Go ahead.
Fun. Well, hopefully everyone goes and checks out the dot files. And
I'll be sure to check them out for you, Tyler.
oh no, I'm talking to chat.
We got a poop for yours, Zany.
You got a what?
Oh, we tracked.
There's a poop vote. Oh, it's gone. Poop vote's gone.
Yeah, I just thumbs it up for you, Tyler. Now it's in heat with Steve's Debian edition.
I didn't know he had a Debian edition.
No, we were going to do that, but instead, we were going to do that for him tonight, but instead, this fix Zany's dot files thing just randomly came around. Yeah, unfortunately, but that's okay. But no.
Well, so far the poll is 86.
In between, Zero's thing is getting a bit more upvoted.
Oh no, I'm talking about I've got a poll in chat right now whether or not I keep the stream running to go walk these dogs, which my sister still hasn't texted me back. She just hung up on me. She didn't even answer my call. So I'm gonna assume I need to go walk these dogs. I should probably leave here soon. So I'm gonna let this poll run for another 5 minutes. No, screw that 5 minutes. Hold on. I'm gonna go 2 minutes. So we got 2 more minutes till this thing ends. And
right.
This is Lenny the Linux cat.
Yeah, I agree with whatever that guy said just in chat, is that, it might be best just to leave it running if you're just going to go live again.
True that.
Yeah.
Well,
This isn't Twitch, so no, it won't be better.
Yeah, I agree with that.
what should
Yeah.
I guess
Maybe
I'll just
like-
leave it like here and just get up.
And then, that's probably the easiest way to do it, Tyler.
Yeah.
Yep.
And you guys can talk to chat. When we get back, we're gonna play 0AD.
Okay.
Sounds good. I'll just hang out with you guys until Josh's thing starts. Just be here.
Well, I mean, wait, is Josh not gonna play with us before his
I don't
he's gonna play on
even
stream.
know. I know that he was. Well, all I know right now is that we're just hanging out.
If he
and
tells
doing-
me that he can't play a game of 0AD before
or
distro hacking, distro hacking will be us playing 0AD. Screw my DAW files. We're playing 0AD.
Oh, good lord.
Because we need to get in practice, brother. Like, we're soon going to be playing for the, like, who gets, like, the bunk, the good beds. Like, look, the way it's going to work is we're going to play 0AD for the content creator house. Whoever gets the lowest, like, or the highest score gets first dibs on beds. So, like,
I get you.
I mean, it's definitely going to be interesting. We need to get practicing because I'm pretty sure some people are going to be really butthurt if they're playing against people who have practiced when they haven't been practicing.
I am back, and I have all the Vegemite sandwiches of
Holy
just 2 slices.
crap. Ew.
It is
Vegemite?
just as disgusting as it sounds.
Yeah.
Why are you eating Vegemite?
Oh god.
Because he wants his poo to smell like hazelnut.
It was for a joke that I forgot to make during tech over tea.
Pretty sure the YT algorithm downvote a stream if it has long runtime and minimal interaction. Not sure if your goal is no. This live stream is not like with it being Thanksgiving and stuff. I'm just doing content for fun right now. It's not at all even trying to get traction on YouTube. Like, I'm not trying to grow this weekend on Linux or on YouTube. I'm just having fun, messing around, playing around with my configs. Just kind of doing the fun stuff.
I do like your config though.
Thank you.
I like the colors and stuff. They're really, you got good choices going on.
Thank you. I like it too. I mean, I like all the effects I've got going on. It's very nice. Very nice. It's very low on, like, I mean, I'm streaming. I've got multiple programs open, a whole bunch of stuff. Like, I've got Discord, OBS, Steam, a whole bunch of stuff open, and I'm only using like 17 to like 20% of my CPU.
Now, did you
20%
restart your broadcast, or I mean, because I'm looking at your broadcast on YouTube, and you got your talking head, and it shows your setup in the background, but the chat is still real time.
No, I haven't done anything.
Okay. I mean, because in Discord I can see your green background, but in the other one I can't.
Yeah, it's because I've got 2 webcams. The Brio is coming in OBS, and
okay,
the C920 is what I've got going, or C920. It's either the C920 Pro or the C922 Pro. I can't remember.
Okay. Well, now they're coordinating. I seen you pointing right after you pointed in. Okay. It was confusing me for a second.
Dot files is tied with Sarah Debian. It's gonna change, man. We need more votes. But all right, boys.
But does 3 poops take away 3 thumbs?
I don't know. It might. I don't know. That's up to Josh.
I'm going to walk these
just have to
dogs.
override
I'll be
it.
right back, boys. Keep talking. Entertain the boys.
Okay.
I'll be back.
All right, we'll see you later.
And then we're gonna play 0AD.
Okay.
All right.
1 vote was taken away, so now Zero Linux is winning.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, when I tried to install OpenSUSE, it gave me interim
It ain't ran that
FS
fast.
error. Yeah. It give me that error on the install.
Did you grab the net install, or did you go with the offline install?
I did the offline install.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
I mean, I can do it again and show you.
Yeah.
Because I'm not really doing anything on this laptop. I'm just using it for hardware experimentation on ISOs. I just use my Ventoid USB stick to experiment.
Oh, I should probably plug the tablet in that way.
So you're saying it might be better for me to do the net install?
It might be.
It can't hurt at that.
Let's try that.
That's micro B. That's micro B. Why do I have so many micro B cables up here right now? I need this.
Network image. Here we go. 64-bit. Yeah, laptop servers. Okay.
Well, it looks like if Tyler's dot files.
Now, why do they still service a 686 image? An i686. Oh, that's all 32-bit. Okay, never mind. I didn't read it.
That's the 686 is the 32-bit. Yeah.
Yeah. I remember the old days when I had the Athlon CPUs, and whenever I'd see 686, I would just get all excited because I knew it meant AMD, not Intel.
Right.
I'm pleased with the little HP Stream. I mean, that little HP Stream, I've got Linux Mint on it, and I took it in the garage, and I updated Discord, and I was able to broadcast to Discord while I was working on the car today. I mean, it's a rock solid little thing for only having 32 gigabytes of drive space, which is just integrated into the motherboard, and having only 4 gigs of memory. It's all here. This is what it looks like. It's just this right here.
Oh, that is a very tiny board. Good Lord.
Yeah, it's just all right there.
Oh, you haven't seen the main board out of a Pinebook yet, have you, Ben?
No, Josh.
My phone's bigger than it.
Your phone's bigger than it.
Actually, this is the other side of it. I think there's some more circuitry here. Yeah, here's the actual motherboard and stuff. Yeah.
Good Lord. That is tiny, man. Shit.
13-inch, I guess.
Yeah. I mean, it's got your little hoochie barber right there.
XPS 13.
Dang. That is one tiny computer.
Not that tiny.
Not really, but I mean, for free, it's okay by me.
I hear you.
So
An XPS 13 is about that size, or maybe smaller.
yeah, I'm looking at where the see, I thought that I might get lucky where it's just a little SD for the hard drive, but it's not.
Probably eMMC, so it's embedded.
Yeah, it's embedded. Yeah, it's a sweet little design, though. I mean, yeah. I mean, 32 gigs for just hacking around on the interwebs and stuff. Perfect. Oh, wow! The net install is only 238 megabytes. I missed the old net installs. That's what I used to do. Yeah, I probably said it over and over about how I liked checking the everything box. Wonder if I should do that on this.
If you want a super massive OpenSUSE install, sure.
If you're looking for minimal, just go with like the net installer, because it'll give you only what you need. Hit that, and that's it.
Well, I mean, all I want is it to be installed. So yeah, I mean, I might do minimal. Yeah, that's why I'm doing the net install. Let's see here. Let's go.
Okay. I'm going to go reboot the computer.
Okay.
I'll be here.
I'm going to move the Let's take the DVD out. Yes, permanently delete it. Thank you very much. It's useless. Okay. Open Suse Tumbleweed.net. Okay. And I don't know why Zero Linux wouldn't install, but it wouldn't. I forget what it crashed on.
Mhm.
I've got Neon on here. I didn't try yet.
Mhm.
Before I pull the drive out, let's see if anybody else has any other suggestions in the chat of distros to try. To put on my Ventoy stick. I might not try them tonight, but I'll try them, some other time.
Yeah. How old was the build of Zero Linux that you downloaded?
I don't know. Let me check.
Yeah, because if it's older, you might have
I
to
think
get it.
I mean, it's only last week, so it's
only last week. Oh god.
2023-11.
Yeah.
Yes, it was just last week.
Well,
because he told me to wait before I grabbed it.
I would wait still because I mean I know he might be doing a December version. I'm not sure, but
okay.
I would personally wait to see if he does a December ISO.
Okay.
That's because I'm working on mine right now. I haven't finished it yet, but that's partly because of the install thing that I was talking about earlier. The Pac-Man key issues. So I would wait till either one of us gets our ISOs updated. And I have been contemplating bringing back my KDE edition, by the way. There's no confirmation on that, but I'm thinking about it.
I just asked if our audio is coming through.
Yeah, do that.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, hit that. If you want to get an early look at my KDE edition, which may or may not be coming back, you can install StormOS and then switch XFCE out for KDE.
Oh, okay.
No.
Okay.
But again, don't download it right now because the installer is still messed up with the thing there.
Okay, I won't.
Yeah. I would recommend at least waiting till I get my.
Let's take a look at DistroWatch here real quick.
Yeah, just do that.
It's been a while. Let's see here. I mean, because that's what I got the ones I have on my Ventoy stick from. And the thing is the.
Well, this is interesting because things always seem to work on a Friday night.
Yeah.
Yeah, OBS is just constantly crashing.
Oh wow.
That's a shame.
Yeah, I'm not going to install Ubuntu. Okay.
That's a boring
distro. Do you guys in the chat in YouTube think I should grab Pop OS?
If you want something that's good with GNOME, yeah.
What do you mean? Pop OS's version of GNOME is garbage.
Fine.
Stock GNOME is best GNOME. Stock GNOME is best GNOME.
And Nix. Okay, I'll grab Pop. We'll do Pop OS.
Yeah, don't put that on a Ventoy.
Oh, Pop won't work on a Ventoy?
No, Fedora Silverblue.
Oh,
Silverblue will not work on a Ventoy?
I think so. Or is it that UBlue won't? Then it is that only UBlue images don't work on Ventoy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ventoy does some weird shit.
Okay, Sprungles. I see how it is. Sparkle's gonna make me install NextOS. That way I can run distro hacking tonight. That's what's gonna happen.
Oh, good grief!
Because I
Nix,
forgot that
stupid.
this is why I quit using Gen 2 last time, because the OBS package is broke. Or not OBS, it's the XDG desktop portal is broke.
Oh,
Flatpak.
shit. Oh,
I think the OBS Flatpak doesn't work either because it's an actual issue with the XDG desktop portal that there's.
that's a shame, Josh.
Yeah.
Well, we gotta get something set up because we have to be ready in like.
Yuglo, and that's it.
Well, it looks like, given we
does
only
it
have
ship with-
20 minutes to make a decision on tonight's
Does
topic,
Ublue ship with virtualization enabled?
Yeah.
Oh.
All I need to do is install Word Manager and Chemo.
Okay, Ublue.
Yeah. I don't see NixOS being grabbed.
And
'cause you
if you're okay with executing commands, I can give you an exact command to execute to get my spin of Silverblue, which has all of that set up already.
Oh, okay.
Scrap that. All right, I'm fine with executing command.
Oh, this
install
is using
Silverblue.
Nix with Docker. I don't want to do that. I want to.
See. Getfedora.org. Immutable desktops. Let's see. I will grab the Silverblue because it really doesn't matter. Grab the one for the Intel and AMD systems and not the ARM one that I clicked first. I would be scared to try like stock Silverblue on a Raspberry Pi. Just saying.
I hear you.
That might be
Why?
a little much. Might be a little much. It's like a full
Why?
GNOME desktop, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it should work.
Oh, it
Oh,
actually should. Okay.
Yeah. I know people who run Ubuntu on
He just left about
four.
10 minutes ago. Yeah, roughly.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Oh. The Tales of the Hero Himmel has a new episode today.
Huh.
Oh, I didn't go down far enough. Okay.
Alright.
That's what was going on.
All right, Big Pod.
Have you
Oh
installed-
shit! Josh is distro
Just-
hopping again.
Just install Fedora Silverblue on your
Yeah.
system.
Yeah, just install Silverblue. I'm working on downloading it right now.
Okay.
Ben, it would not be the first time I distro hopped right before distro hacking.
Good luck.
Man, it feels like it's freaking 10 o'clock at night. Man.
Don't say I told you so, Josh. If shit starts to break before the podcast.
It usually does
Why would it?
because it usually there are usually issues.
Yeah.
All right. Of course,
And
there
I will
is.
say that's
It's
one
not
thing that's consistent.
uncommon. Yeah, it's not uncommon where I spend the first hour or two of each distro hacking stream fixing the distro hacking stream.
Oh god.
Josh, remind me, do you have NVIDIA or not NVIDIA?
No NVIDIA.
Okay, then it's easier.
I do have
that's
NVIDIA
fine.
on mine though. Hybrid NVIDIA, that is.
Just one command more than non-NVIDIA, whether it's hybrid or not hybrid. From what
Got
I
it.
remember. That's Fedora Silverblue for you with Ublo.
Yeah.
The best distro ever.
You're seriously tempting me right now.
Well, maybe you should actually give it a look, you know?
I'm thinking about it. Okay.
See,
The
what's going
one
to happen is that the goal is to get you so impressed with Fedora that you just give up on StormOS entirely, and then just make Purple Hat OS.
Let me see here. Okay. The one last question I have, Big Pod, is the one complaint that I've always had about Fedora is that it doesn't come with calamares. I mean, I'm sorry, but I just can't stand that.
Nobara?
As someone who basically maintains this stuff, I'm gonna say installer is something you shouldn't care about.
No, I understand, man, but I gotta tell you, I hate to say, but the problem that is with that is
Hey,
that
Ben,
what?
Nobara uses calamares.
And they're based on Fedora, aren't they?
Yep.
And isn't that a really good gaming distro?
It's made by
yeah.
Glorious Eggroll.
And I know Glorious
Supposed to be.
Eggroll has a very passionate gaming following, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He maintains Proton Forks, so he better.
Oh, what the hell? I might install that.
My
The
dog's
issue is
picking
that it's
on
not
the phone.
Silverblue, so Big Pod's still going to try to influence you.
Sorry, Big Pod.
But
I can't work with the
it's fine. When you're installing Silverblue, you just hit next a couple times. It's fine.
Well, I don't want to have to spend a dozen hours installing my preferred software, so yeah, I'm going.
You won't.
All right, boys, you better be loading up into Zero AD.
I'm
swear
just
to God.
trying.
I don't
Josh,
want to hear it, dude. Zero AD. Install it.
I want to make sure that distro hacking can work tonight because OBS automatically crashes because Gen 2's XDG desktop portal is still broken.
I have suspected this. So no
I'm
zero
making
for Josh. It looks like.
pretzel bites.
I get it. So you
I'm
don't
just
right
like
now.
your friends. So you don't want to hang out with your friends and play games with your friends. I get it.
Tyler.
What? I gotta say this. If you go in the dictionary and you look at peer pressure,
Tyler's face
right
right now on that picture. I tell you right now.
yep.
Come on, man. Don't tell me like that.
Josh, I sent you the command that you need to run after you get into Silverblue.
Can you send it to me too, Big Pong? Because I might just install it on my laptop just for fun.
Sure.
All right. The game is going up. The password is going to be Hyprland. No capital, no nothing.
Oh my God.
I don't have Zero AD either.
Install it. It takes no time.
Currently, I'm playing something else.
That's fine.
All right.
We all have problems that we need to address, but luckily that one can be addressed quite quickly. You see, like the game you're playing, you close it, and then you download Zero AD, and then you end up happy.
All right, Tyler. Well, I'm gonna go prep for dish racking as well. I'll catch you later, man.
Have a go, man. See ya. Gotta love some good Zero AD peer pressure, dude.
For some reason, that just cracked me the fuck up.
I'm going to Distro hacking as well. Mess with Josh.
Hold on. Where's Josh at?
He's
Has he
hiding.
announced? He hasn't even announced distro hacking. Where the hell are you guys going? At least on Discord. Has he done it over on YouTube? Am I missing out on something?
No, he's not started yet.
Yeah. How
He's
are you guys
still
leaving
trying
for? I thought Josh was playing a game of Zero D before distro hacking anyway.
No.
Oh, we went into a distro rabbit hole. Yeah, I'm sorry.
So
part of it's my fault.
I leave to go walk the dogs so that we can sit down and play Zero AD. I get back and you guys have got Josh installing a new distro. so he can't
That's
play
what
zero.
No,
he's
he was
again.
doing that anyway because
Oh.
OBS wouldn't work.
Oh, wait, what distro was he using?
Yeah, Gen 2. OBS kept crashing on him.
Desktop portal didn't work. XTG
Yeah,
desktop portal.
I've had some issues with Gen 2. That's why I'm
So
using
I
the
got
good old
him to
reliable Arch.
install Fedora Silverblue.
Okay, look, that's totally fine, Josh. You get OBS working. I think we're gonna wait for a little bit to let everyone pop into 0AD because there's plenty of people here who need to come play 0AD with us.
I'm loading up.
All good. There ain't no
I'm
rush.
downloading a couple of distros.
For anybody who doesn't know what 0AD is, it is a RTS, so a real-time strategy game. It is completely open source. You can go pick it up. You can download it on any Linux distro. You can download it on Windows or Mac. So you can play it anywhere. It's completely free, costs no money. It's less than 2 gigs in download. I think it's like about 1.5 gigs, 1.3, 1.5 gigs in size. So it's a very fun game. It's actually got some pretty good graphics for a completely free open source game. So, yeah. And we're going to have a competition here. We're practicing for a competition here soon where we're going to be competing.
What was the password again?
Hyprland. No capitals or anything.
HYPR?
Yep. Like the program.
Right. I didn't know if he was going to spell it properly or not.
He threatened to use Nix. Ooh.
Yeah, I'm downloading Nix.
Nix like OS or just Nix?
Yeah, I'm the ISO. I'm downloading also Pop OS just to put on my Ventoy stick. What I originally was going to install is trying the net install of OpenSUSE to see if it works, because I was using the offline install that failed. So I'm currently making pretzel bites with cheddar cheese.
Oh, Glow. Yeah, SuperTux cart does support realistic lighting. You just got to bump up the settings. Again, Oglo, if you want to, we're going to be playing 0AD here in a second. So more than welcome to come join. Also, by the way, Oglo, thank you for putting me on to SwayNC. It's so good. It's so good. Doing good. We got all my GitLab, my dot files are all updated. I guess I could just try to keep open a tab for my dot files. So we updated it. It comes now with all the pictures. I'm using SWW with a wall setter script, so with different animations for some different wallpapers. So I just updated the dot files. We've got a nice setup script here as well. That it's a post Arch install script. I got a section for it in the dot files. Why did I click there? Post install script. So yeah, so you can download the dot files, run that, and then you'll end up with the exact system I have, and my dot files will be done through Yatum, so you can just run Yatum pull if you ever, like if you literally just want to have my system and keep it up to date with what I run, you can just run Yatum pull every so often, and if I've made any changes to my dot files, you'll get them. Yeah.
Well, I don't know how much my download's going to affect the game, but we'll give it a try. I mean, I'm at 80% on Pop OS, so as soon as that goes, Nix OS should download it pretty fast.
What do you mean,
pace.
what have I been watching on YouTube? this right here, like this girl, I don't know, she does ASMR, but dude, I'm telling you, bro, she has the wildest voice. Like, it is crazy. She can whisper, and like there's a whole bunch of people who are vocalists and stuff, and she gets a lot of praise from them in the comments. Like, she sings a lot of popular songs, and it's very good. I normally listen to that when I'm ready to like start getting tired. I'll start listening to that, and I gradually get pretty sleepy, and then I'll go to bed. But I have no idea. Like, I don't know what this is.
Link me
I do like
her
Asmongold videos.
page in link me her page in Discord.
Okay, I'll just post it in YouTube, because actually, you know what? I'll link this one here. Actually, you know what? I'll play it for a second. Let's see. Where's?
Yeah, I have the sound off on your broadcast.
What would I do without your smart mouth? Drawing me in and you kicking me out.
Yeah, your talking head is going. Okay, there you go. That'll work. I'll at least grab it. I don't need to actually watch it. I just wanted to have it. That just is so weird to me, though. I'm sorry.
What, having someone like whisper into a microphone?
Well, no, have him caressing a headset and stuff. I'm like,
oh,
it's just so weird to me.
If you're watching it, but the idea is you have your eyes closed, and at that point, it kind of sounds like waves. So, like, that's the idea.
Yeah, it's still
it is still weird. But to be honest,
I'm an old perv from way back too. Yeah, that's really strange.
The problem with ASMR is, like, no matter what, it doesn't matter how like normal the videos of ASMR you watch are. No matter what, you're going to be grouped in with the people who like lick microphones and who like put Vaseline in like 3DIO like ear microphones. Like,
my body makes weird enough sounds on its own, let alone somebody else giving them to me.
Copyright, it's okay. I don't care. If YouTube hits me and the money goes to some random company for the ads from this live stream, it's fine. It's okay. I doubt it. Yes. I doubt they'll do it, but even if they do it doesn't matter to me. It's fine. You guys support me enough. It's okay. I'll be fine.
Okay, Pop OS is almost done, so it should, Nix OS should take off.
But
now, I might retry Nobara. I tried it when it first came out, and it was a piece of crap.
Nobara,
yeah.
How do you spell that?
Nobara, I believe. Glorious Egg Roll.
Nobara.
You could probably find anything pertaining to Glorious Egg Roll, and it would be connected to it, I would think.
All right, Nobara. Oh yeah, this is. I think this one is the one by Glorious Egg Roll. I don't know.
I don't think it's immutable.
See, like, my thing is I used to live happily on Arch, but I always like checking out other things. I always get talked into checking out other things and getting hyped about it. But like, at the end of the day, as much shit as people give Arch, it is one of the most reliable distros I've ever had. The only thing is as long as they don't ever mess up the Arch ISO again, where it just doesn't detect my, like, you know, Ethernet card or my Wi-Fi card, as long as they can keep from doing that ever again, we'll be on perfect terms.
Well, that's the thing that surprised me, is I was a dedicated Debian person, deb package, because back in the day in 1993, we had Red Hat and Debian, and Red Hat had the most god-awful package manager, RPM, and I still don't know why it was called that, because it wasn't very fast.
Yeah, I do think I answered your question, Oglo, but yes, I do keep getting distracted. Yes, the buttons are done just in SwayNC. You can check out my config files. It's in my dot files, so you can go check it out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But just to finish my statement is that, you know, I was a Debian person and I tried Arco and I was surprised. I love it. Plain and simple.
Yeah, I gotta zoom in like 250% for this to look really good on a small screen. Like, ooh. Oh yeah, dude. No, SwayNC is very nice. Very nice. The only thing that's weird about it is when you add the widget they have, it's probably something that is like mistyped in my config or something. But when I click on it, when I click anywhere in the bar, regular, it'll open up this. So like this should, like when I click here, it should open up Pavu control, but it doesn't. It opens up notification center. Now, if I right click on the bar and then click, or excuse me, if I close that, then right click on the bar and then click on this, it opens up Pavu control and everything works as normal. It's very weird. I don't know why. You know how to fix that? Okay, cool. Send me a DM about it. I won't do it during the stream, but because we are probably going to play 0AD here in a second, but hopefully some of you guys will join. I have not been paying attention to the 0AD window. Hold on, where is it? Okay, so it's just me and HipDad. Boys, install 0AD, go down to game lobby. Okay? You don't go host or join game. You ain't going to be able to do it there. You got to go down to game lobby in 0AD. Join. Come play with us. We're going to have some fun. You don't have to be an expert either. Like, I'm probably the best one, and that's just I don't know. I don't know how I'm good. I just focus on food and wood, and then I build a lot of barracks and a lot of houses and a lot of fields, and then I start building other stuff. And I attack. You're breaking up pretty bad, HipDad. Oh no.
I slow play while he sandbags.
Huh? I'm not sandbagging. I literally did say I am good. I am probably the best, if not the best, but I don't know how. Like, you know, like I shouldn't be. I'm the younger stoner. Like I shouldn't be as good at, and I'm also not good with strategy games. That's not like my main game I play. So I don't know why I'm doing so good there. What?
And I'm your future self, so I should be excellent at it. But that's not.
You should. Case. You should. Okay. Hold on. We need to go to Tinley J.
Oh yeah.
Oh wait, he posted a new short. We gotta watch it.
I'm making this short video because somebody told me to make a short video. See ya. I'm making this short video because somebody told me to make a short video. See ya.
That was.
Oh, I already saw that.
Great, Josh. My name is Zany, and I approve of this message. Well, hold on. I approve. No, not of. I just approve.
Short. Oh, you disapprove?
No, absolutely not. Of course, I approve this message. What should we do? Like handshake? Yep.
Beaming face with smiley eyes.
There we go. And I'll go ahead and like my own message because, you know, I like it. I think I did a good job. All right, so let's keep an eye on this channel. We're going to keep an eye on his live. We'll refresh every second or so we can get a distro hacking. Also, wait, we need to check in on Discord and see how we're doing over on his server. Let's see. Down here. Talk space. What? Distro hacking suggestions. There we go.
Let's see.
No. The Debian edition has more votes. No.
Does it?
No. Who has done this? Who has done this?
Not me.
Yeah, you pooped on it. That's what I like to see. But you all wait, you like Debian Edition. What are you doing?
Who? Me?
Yeah. What are you doing?
Let me see. Let me just a second. I'm
you brother. What's happening?
It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It was an accident.
Come on now. Ben's hacked account voted on it.
And that was fun. What are you doing? Are you?
Let's check out over here.
If you eat that cheese, you're going to not have fun for a few days, buddy. That's the first time you've ever done that. Snuck up on my vittles.
Hip Dad removed his vote because he doesn't want that Debian Edition stuff. He wants the DAW files. He wouldn't do that to me. Oglo, by the way, if you could join Josh's Discord if you're not already and come in here, it should be up in the live stream chat. Just pop over there on that link and give a vote on Fix Zany's dot files and distro hacking suggestions. Anyone who wants to do that, it would be much appreciated. I want to see Josh check out my dot files and see what he's got to say about it, because I'm sure it's not going to be great, and I want to hear it. I want him to roast me. I mean, it's definitely going to happen. He's definitely going to find out like 6 ways to Sunday to break the freaking. Oh, sorry, Big Pod. I didn't realize you had been kicked out. My B.
There's a lot of people kicked out, I think.
Okay. It is now 6 o'clock. Poll's closed.
The poll can't be closed, dude. They're freaking tied.
No, there's one with 3 poops. Does that take 3 votes off of it?
Which one's got the 3 poops? Let's see.
The Debian.
Debian.
Wait, but how many poopies does Fix Zany?
You don't have any. You don't have any.
Kisses.
You got nice clean tushy.
Good. Beautiful. Beautiful. Well, so since we're going to be checking out my dot files later, we should probably go ahead and play 0AD pretty quickly, man. You go ahead and get started.
Okay.
No, okay. Not you. I'm talking to Josh. Josh got to get the bitch installed and hop on in.
I'm currently installing Big Pod OS.
That's fine. That's fine.
No. Here's telling me to run system CTL reboot, so I'll be right back.
Oglo,
I'll give my
more than
ISO a chance to download. Yeah.
But you're gonna have to.
Merrier.
You're gonna have to, play 0AD. No excuses. That's the cost of coming into this room. Big Pod, I'm not gonna tie his hands and make him play, but I will play 0AD. Let's go. All right, just join the lobby. I'll drag you in. I'll drag you into streaming. I'll pick you up and carry you, dude. I'll take you into the end zone. It's all good. We got it. Teamwork made the dream work, brother.
Oh, so this means you're going to gang up on me, huh? Okay.
No. You and Oglo can be on the team versus me.
Not me.
It might be fair because y'all could trade back and forth. Jonathan is going to join too. I don't accept him not joining. Oh, let me get Oglo in here. What's going on, fam? How you doing? How you doing? You have a good night? Well, day, whatever time it is. Screw time zones, dude. Whatever time it is for you. Oh, Jonathan said yes. Yeet 'em, skeet 'em, brother. All right.
Tell me if anything's going on with my audio. I actually am not wearing my headset right now.
No, you sound fine.
I should wear that.
Why is my game audio cutting out? Very odd.
Just realize.
Wait, hold on. Is that coming through someone else's?
When I eat.
It's probably me.
No, I think Hip Dad, do you have Zero AD playing?
I do.
Like the music playing?
I do.
No.
Okay.
And I'm
I never
using
play the
my
music.
laptop,
And
microphone
I can't
and
produce the audio through my
headset.
stream, through my Discord. I'm not using OBS.
I think
All right,
I
is
think
that
my
better?
game audio is like cutting in and out. I don't know. It don't matter.
I just plugged in my headset. Is the Zero AD audio gone?
All right. I hear it right now. But I mean,
Okay.
it's low. Like it's like it's coming from my game.
Weird.
But now it stopped playing. Maybe it is just continuously playing. It's just really, really low. I don't know. Maybe I'm going crazy. That's probably it. I've had like 4 Pepsi Zeros over the past like day and a half. Maybe that's it.
I accidentally drugged myself after making way too much, like not too much, but just too saturated butterfly PT. I steeped it for 24 hours.
Wait, what kind of tea?
Butterfly PT. I actually sent you a DM about it. It's like a blue tea, but I steeped it for so long that depending how you looked at it, it would be purple, it'd be red, it'd be blue. It was crazy.
Dude, look. All right. Just so everyone's clear, do you know how cheap a case of Pepsi, Coke, or Pepsi Zero is? Like, it's remarkably cheap. It's way cheaper than a case of water. Like, how is it cheaper than water? Like, can anyone explain to me how that works?
Я не знаю.
What'd you just say? What you called me?
I don't know. I just said I don't know in Russian.
I love doing that to people. Just like when they say something that like in another language or clearly that you didn't understand, just be like, "What you call me? Huh?"
That's one of the things I do fake Russian when I get scam callers. I go Bosnavanyich, and they're like, "What? I suppose Navanyich," and just change the
Ты
inflection.
знаешь русский?
Wait, hold on. How many people in my chat speak Russian? What's happening? Hold on. Is this a Russian takeover and I just didn't know it?
Да.
Duh. Jonathan, let me know if you join lobby and I don't see you. I'm trying to keep an eye out.
Yeah, the reason I know Russian is my mom is, well, I don't know it directly I'm studying Russian, but I'm able to practice Russian because my mom is from Ukraine, the Russian-speaking parts of Ukraine, so. Actually, Mariupol.
Wow, Big Pot is in here? Man.
Mm-hmm. Of course.
You stepped up the peer pressure, man. I'm impressed.
Wait, hold on. Big Pot joined the game?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Okay,
about to
I
get
forgot.
shreked.
How do I join again?
So you go into Zero AD, you click multiplayer, then you click game lobby. When you click game lobby, it'll bring up you, if you remember your password and username. If it's the same system and the one you played on last time, it'll already be there. Just click continue. Otherwise, enter your password, username and password, click the 3 buttons, accept the agreements, and then click next after you've accepted all 3 of them. And then you'll see Not Zany's game, and I'll give you the password when you're there.
Okay.
Zero AD is a real-time strategy game similar to like Command and Conquer, Age of Empires,
Empire Earth.
Yeah.
Aw, the password's not penis this time.
It is cheaper in some parts of the world.
The password is
Hyprland.
Hyprland.
Yeah, like the program. No capitals, no nothing, just Hyprland.
Cool.
What are you talking about? It is cheaper in some parts of the world.
So
Failed to connect to server, could not find the stun endpoint.
Try closing the game and relaunching. If that doesn't work for some weird reason, this is a bug with I don't know that it's a bug with 0ID. It's a problem with the networking, but you might have to reboot your computer. Make sure your firewall is not blocking the ports. You might have to disable your firewall or do some
I'll just do a
stuff.
sudo kill all UFW.
Yeah.
Say
Hey,
what?
Big Pod, why does your distro ship with 3 different terminal emulators?
Why not?
I use Terminator console and I'm K console and I think Xterm.
I just use Alacrity.
I have Alacrity installed, but I didn't really get into it. I don't know. I like Terminator. I don't use it a lot, but you know.
Yeah, I use Alacrity because it has 2 features that I don't really see in any other terminal emulator. Those 2 features are, 1, if the character is bald, if the character is a bold character, but it's not using the bright color variant, force it to use the bright color variant. And the next one is like free select, where instead of being confined to the line length, it lets me select anywhere. Alright, I'm in.
What do you think?
Okay. Does 0AD not like Wayland?
I'm using it right now on Wayland.
Should be fine, even if it's running through X Wayland. X Wayland is a godsend.
Cause like on my mouse, right? I have to be like above everything to select it for some reason. What the crap?
Oh, take in make 0. Are you running full screen?
Yes.
Switch it to windowed.
Okay.
That'll fix that.
I play full screen.
Brungles.
Well,
hello.
Hello.
I mean, I start out as windowed, but then I stretch it to full screen. Doesn't cover my bar or anything. But I think I had that problem when I first installed it and I switched to windowed and it fixed it to where it wasn't out of line.
All right, everyone go ahead and ready up. I mean, Oglow's already ready. Big Pod's ready. But ready on up just that way. So when Jonathan gets in here, we can do it.
1.
Wait, hold on, Jonathan. Haven't you gotten your webcam?
I have, but my mic hasn't here yet.
Dang. That's the shitty. That's the shitty thing about computers, because there's always so many different parts, and they always come at different times. So.
Yep.
Big Pod, just so you know, you are muted in Discord, just in case you didn't know.
Okay. Me.
Yeah, Big Pod.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, you can make me Iberian.
Zany, can I be Maria's?
Yeah, hold on, boys. I totally even forgot about Civs. Whoops, my B. So hold on. Hip Dad, you said Iberians. Oglo said Morias. Big Pod, what would you like? You just want to go random?
Random.
All right.
Random.
All right. I think I'm gonna go. I'm trying to remember. I think it's Iberians that come with the walls.
The law.
I should.
Okay,
all right, look, I'm gonna go Iberians.
Big Pod, the text is way too big in this terminal.
Yes, I know. I need to change that as well.
Are you setting the font via script D settings?
I don't even remember how I do it. I used to have it. I used to have that because I was doing a lot of presentations.
Okay.
At some point. For short times.
Zany, can I be the proper Civ?
Holy shit! Hold on, man. I think I gotta add more players in here.
Yeah, you need to add one more for me.
Yep.
But you can make it smaller.
And
that.
okay, so Sprungles is in here. Cool. Okay, so
And then, okay, yeah, we have everyone. Cool.
200. Yeah. So, Josh, what did you want?
The proper civ.
Spartans.
Yeah, not Spartans.
Wait,
Romans.
Zany,
Romans.
when you were changing your Hyprland theme, were you like actually editing the static files, or do you have a script for changing themes?
No, I don't have a script for changing themes because I'm one of those people. I don't want to dynamically, like, I don't want to have multiple different theme options. Like when I switch something, my kind of mindset now is when I switch to something, I'm going to stick with it for a while. Like I've got a working Arch install. I update on a reasonable time frame, like I used to. Everything works. My theme
I'm kind of the same way. Like even though I have dynamic themes, I just use Gruffbox. But it's a lot of fun to make a theming script. Like I highly recommend just doing it for the sake of doing it.
I probably will eventually in a live stream, but
YouTube account.
Right now it's not on my it's not on a priority list for me, but I am open to doing it eventually, and I probably will have people want me to do it on a live stream eventually. So.
Yeah, I don't think I did it the smartest way. The way I'm doing is I just set and replace like all the places where I need to put a color, and that's really slow in Bash. So I actually implemented my theme changing in Rust as well.
Oh wait, Jonathan, what civ did you want?
I don't care.
Zany, since I'm reading up on civs, put me as Macedonian.
All right, Macedonian. Oh my good Christ! Holy hell! What is that smell? Okay,
Sprungles is gonna be random.
My dog farted.
Oh,
it was me. I'm sorry.
Dog farts are the worst.
Wild.
My cats did that to me the other day.
I love cats.
I also got a pregnant dog down here, so it might be her. I don't know, but good lord.
Oh, pregnant dogs, nastiest gas. Oh my god.
Oh, how do you know that?
I'm 64. I'm 64 years old.
Probably been around a lot of pregnant dogs. I've been around. I'm 25. I've been around a lot of pregnant dogs and dog. Oh.
We used to have beagles when I was growing up.
Hip Dad is divisible by 4.
All right.
Yep.
That's
you guys ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
Just a second. Yeah, I'm ready.
Oh wait, hold on. Ooh, I definitely need to pop up the map size.
We can have a super tiny and small.
No, absolutely not. Let's not be right on top of each other.
Right.
All right. Do we want to do a team game or is it free for all?
Not free for all. That way I can kill you faster.
Free for all.
Sprungles, you'll need to hit the ready button again. If you click it twice, it'll make it to where anytime I make change, like it'll change it from green to blue or purple, like whatever. And that makes it so whenever I change any settings, it doesn't unready you. But
okay.
Yeah, I've got just so you guys know, PopCap is at 200, and we can do teams if you guys want, or we can do free for all. It's up to you guys.
Wow, PopCap's 200. Okay.
Yep. Well, just because we got 6 of us, like I don't.
Right.
I don't want to limit it too much, but I also don't want to give it to 300 and have some of us like our CPU is like literally begging for mercy.
Oh, I'll know with mine because I got my fans calibrated now.
Perfect. All right.
It'll tell me if it's chugging. Yeah. Fans just jack up. I got 3,000 RPM fans on my CPU cooler.
All right. Let's do this how we always do it. All right.
Hang on.
The inaugural hit. On the sound of my cough, we go.
I am configuring OBS.
I wished Kudu was here, because then we could go by his brother's cough.
Uh,
That's pretty good.
Oh, can't even click the button.
The chunk has been released.
let's go.
Oh no.
Oh, come on. Okay, there we go.
Ooh.
Sprungles.
What? Here we go.
Wait.
Oh. Oh. Well, I'm
At
definitely
first I
going to be
thought I had no
behind on
chickens.
stuff.
DSD?
Oh.
Trejo. DSD? Raso.
TST.
TSD. Texo.
Why is it so laggy?
Because there's a lot of people.
Yeah.
DSD?
I'm trying to implement multiplayer in my game, and I want to make it unhackable. And that's one of the challenges I'm facing, is in order to make it unhackable, I have to do stuff like the player says, oh hey, I'm holding down the walking key, and the server actually moves the player. So I came up with an entire system with proxies and client prediction and stuff.
Does that make it unhackable?
Well, yeah, because really, like, technically you could hack, but literally all the hacking you would be able to do is say like, oh hey, I'm pressing this key, and now I'm pressing this key, and now I'm pressing this key, and now I'm pressing this key, which is the kind of hack that you can just do with your fingers.
Yeah. Make sure
That was funny.
Make sure your players aren't able to do anything out of bounds. They're only able to send the
Exactly.
designated inputs.
Like, the reason Minecraft has so many issues is the server just blindly trusts what the player says. So like the players in Minecraft is the one who says like, oh hey, I'm at this position now.
It's called client authoritation.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sitting there waiting for my population, my women's to be populated, and
your women's.
I didn't have any houses, so I wasn't doing anything.
Oh my lord! Come on, man.
Hey, it's been a while, man.
That is true. That's what I'm saying. We do need this practice. We like, if we're gonna play for like who gets the best bed in a house where we're gonna be staying together, like recording videos, like vacationing for like a few days, like people are gonna be pretty upset if they don't practice at all, and then they lose, and they're like end up with like a twin-sized font. They're like, oh god.
Yeah, we don't want DT with we don't want DT with the best bed.
Dang straight, man. Come on now.
What are you guys planning?
Meet DistroTube in person. That'd be awesome.
He's a pretty nice guy.
Yeah, from my interview with him though, he doesn't really seem like the social kind of person.
He isn't. I can tell you that. But what are you guys planning? This house or something?
He wants to do a streamer house for like a weekend or something like that.
Yep.
I'd probably be like 16, 17 when that happens.
He's shooting for next year.
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna happen, but
why wouldn't it?
Because I'm eternally a pessimist.
Like literally all all that has to happen is you have to be able to afford to drive down. That's it. As long as you can afford the gas and everything, food,
and we can
all that other
carpool.
stuff's taken care of.
Me and Josh can carpool down.
Is it optimism to like instead of saying, oh hey, well what if this happens, instead it's more like I acknowledge something bad happens and I just say on the bright side?
Let's see, I have already found the big pods.
Really?
Yep. Did you not see my guy just run right through your whole town?
No. Oh, I see you. Well, based on the fact that if I wanna visit you guys, I need to fly across the world. I will be visiting you guys.
I am going pretty slowly. I'm only just now reaching 50 people.
Anyone is invited because we can. I believe the cabin. If we go to my own family's cabin, I believe it sleeps like 8 to 12 people, something like that. So, we can easily fit enough people for anyone who wants to come. The only part is travel's not covered. So, as long as you can make it there, the food, all that good stuff's covered. But
that's cool.
TST.
TST. Texo.
TST.
Yes.
TST. Texo.
Yeah, they're running in place every now and then.
Yeah. What I'm noticing though is when they run in place, their animation actually speeds up, so it's like double wacky.
Let's see, that's Sprinkles.
I wonder, with all the crates on Crates.io making things like multiplayer easy, I wonder where 0 AD would be if it was made in Rust.
Russell.
Probably not that much more popular than
yeah, it'd probably be exactly the same.
Probably like where it is now.
Yeah,
because it is.
I think it would actually be
Rust,
exactly the same. Like it would be literally in the exact same place it is now.
If not in the worst place.
I think it'd have realistic lighting.
Well, I mean, it has good enough lighting the way it is.
Yeah.
What are you doing in my town? Get the fuck out of my town.
I did recently make a crate called NetGet for downloading files. I need to join streams more often.
TST.
This is fun.
Ben's still trying really hard to get me to do the Debian thing. I told him he was already lost.
Texo.
Yes. Yes.
I
mean, not that been lost, but yes, .files. I want to see what you think. I also want to see if there's any problems with my setup script. So I wonder how it is. Yeah, OpenRA is, like, to me, OpenRA is just as good if not better in some ways than 0AD.
What is OpenRA?
It's essentially the old
Red
Command and
Alert.
Conquer.
DST?
Yeah.
Raso.
Oh, Big Pod.
Oh, that's you, Tofi.
Yeah, and now I'm gonna fight you.
You can swear. It's okay.
Narabish.
No, I
Narabish.
almost said now I'm gonna fart. That's
Oh.
just
Okay.
impulsively where my brain was going. Well, I just jacked up my whole operation. Thank you, Big Pod.
If Zane wasn't so fucking far away, I probably would have, sent the cavalry at him already.
Watch your damn mouth, dude. We're on YouTube.
That's you. That's you. That's you. That's you, and that's you. All 6 of us. I know where we are, so I know from where people who will destroy me will come.
Do you now?
Yeah.
DST?
24 women in spawning. Let's go.
DST? Raso.
And you women are condemned for the rest of your life to do nothing but build houses.
TSD.
Wow.
They are the homemaker.
Yeah, I'm just abusing the mechanic where you can hold control to snap to a grid, and you can hold shift to queue tasks.
Oh, I did find Spruggles.
Raso.
How dare you?
Kill his worker elephant.
Raso.
Get away. Attack them. Run over here.
Raso. Raso.
Now I'm getting attacked by Big Pot as well.
I'm not attacking you, I'm just going past you.
Oh.
And you decided to attack me.
Well, I was literally just exploring. You're right next to me. If you didn't know.
I know.
Okay. Yeah. So I that's why I sent one horse over. I clicked literally over in your general area. Decided to go balls to the walls. Was not a smart move.
DST?
Moria, voice crack.
Yeah.
Moria is nice because it has the portable storage,
DST?
aka the elephant.
Yes. It helps a ton, dude.
Yeah, it's like I don't have to put storehouses anywhere. I could just say like, okay, elephant, move here. Zero
Yeah.
resources.
You save an absolute butt ton on wood. It's like when you don't have that, like
Yeah.
the amount of storehouses you have to set down, like that's, I mean, depending on the civ, that can be up to 100 wood, a storehouse. So
Yeah.
TST? Texo. TST? Texo. Texo.
Everyone got so quiet.
yes, because everyone's working.
Working 9 to 5.
What the hell are you doing all the way over here, dude? Come on. Get with the plan. Okay.
Yes, Red Alert is always a good. It's so much fun. Such a good game.
Red Alert?
Yep.
Yep.
Open
RA.
RA.
Open RA.
Oh. Is it open source?
Yep.
OpenRA is.
Noise.
I mean, like you can get the original Command and Conquer videos from the game and put them in there, but those are obviously copyrighted. But OpenRA itself is, yeah. Yes, get that there. Okay. I'm going to be playing this pretty defensively this time around.
That's how I always play.
I normally play pretty aggressive, but this time I'm going to play defense. I'm going to see how you guys react. I'm going to see how long I can last.
Man, I got. Oh, okay. Okay. I forgot about him. There we go.
I've got the Civilization of P because everyone in my town is all yellow. So what the hell? Why are there always so many just people not doing anything?
I gotta get them people to work, man.
Yeah.
My farmer girls aren't doing very good. They're not very fast.
Yeah.
There we go. That'll help.
DSD. Repo.
Come on, kids. Step it up, please.
DSD.
Eh?
Oh, I'm waiting on my...
Repo.
Who are you?
Oh, somebody. Oh, that's Aglo.
There's like a purple guy on my land, and I got no notification that it's being attacked.
That's because he didn't hit anybody yet. You don't get the notification until like he actually smacks somebody.
Yeah.
Uh,
Or if somebody is set to be aggressive, they'll attack him. Then when he smacks back, then notification. Yeah.
DSD.
God, I only have 70 people.
Prato.
You should make some more people.
Yeah, but everyone just stops working. It's super annoying. I have to micromanage.
That's literally what this game is about.
Well, but they shouldn't stop working. Like,
they should always have something to do.
Yeah, once you select them to do something, they'll go for it. Now, if they run out of resources, yeah, you need to select more of them, or select them and have them go somewhere else.
Yep.
Yeah, this is the most tedious micromanagement I've ever had to do in 0AD.
I don't know.
Once you learn how to spread them out, it'll work better for you. The farms help, because you can do 5 per field.
DSD.
There's 5 right here.
Repo. DSD. Repo. DSD.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Praso. DSD. Trejo. DSD. DSD. Trejo. DSD. Trejo. DSD.
There's a wild hip dad.
Trejo. DSD. Trejo.
Yes, I'm scared.
DSD. Praso. DSD. Prato. Jesti?
Desputamu. Texo.
Jesti? 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 Jesti?
Desputamu visome.
Jesti? Praso.
Desputamu. Orevome.
Jesti? Jesti? Praso.
Desputamu. Tilexome. Desputamu. Texo.
Jesti? Jesti? Reto. Jesti? Reto.
Oh, I think I get it now. There's a limited amount of women who can work in a field.
Yes.
5.
5 per field.
5 per field.
Depending
Like
on
I said that
your
earlier.
depending on your class, your civ.
Yeah, because like I think the Chinese can only take like 4.
Yeah, like it's like 3 or 4.
But they have the viaduct system. Or the, yes. Yeah. Because it's rice. I don't know.
Yeah, the rice fields.
But they produce more out of their.
Yeah. Like they produce more per field, so they take less people.
Jesti?
So let me go here. All of them.
Reto. Jesti? Reto. Praso. Jesti? Reto.
Desputamu. Jesti. Texo. Jesti. Texo.
Sprungles is attacking me.
No, one of your guys decided to start chasing me, chasing one of my explorer people.
I was about to say. I was like, I ain't doing shit to this man.
EST?
Why are you attacking me? I'm not
I'm
doing
not
anything
attacking
to
you.
Sprungles is.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, it says I've been attacked by Sprungles.
How many people are you attacking right now, man?
I don't even know where one of you guys is at. Whoever's in the top left, that's whoever's person like started chasing my guy, and then they just decided to kill the guy. So.
Oh, okay. My horse guy started chasing you.
Oh, this right here is a market.
Oh shit.
I can trade resources for other resources.
It's alright. 10 minutes till distro hacking, sir.
Uh-oh.
Interesting.
You're gonna make me late.
EST?
I mean, you
yeah,
could
but
just
you're
start
never late,
distro
are you?
hacking with this being it. The start of it. I think
Oh
people
my
would like
god, there's a button I just discovered that literally says find idle
see?
workers. That's
Yeah.
a game changer.
Down in the lower right corner, yeah.
Okay.
that. Sorry.
I need to remember that.
We could have told you about that.
Yeah, it's
Our
fine.
bad.
What was the said button?
I thought, actually, I apologize because I thought you've played before.
Well,
Well,
no,
I didn't know
I've
you'd
played
never.
before,
I didn't
just
know you had
that
never
was a
played.
thing. I played Zero ID before. I just didn't know that was a thing.
EST?
Yeah. He learning like a whole bunch of us.
Yeah.
I already hit the population limit. Shit, I forgot that you had 200. Now I'm just making
Yep.
houses for the fun of it.
I mean, you could always build a wonder, you know?
Who has time for that shit?
Good point. Good point.
You?
EST? EST? Prosso.
You guys are trapped, so kill you. Sorry, boys, but that's just how it works. Oh shit, I have really been slacking on that. That's not good. Probably get on that ASAP.
The hell was
I
that?
wonder what's expensive. 1,000 metal.
EST? Prosso.
Yes. Go get me all them valuable resources, boys.
EST?
Come on, you can do it. I believe in every single one of you.
Okay. Let's see here. Let's do.
Holy.
EST?
Ooh. Ooh.
Prosso.
Ooh.
EST?
Okay, need to clear some population room. I'm gonna hit this magic start streaming button.
Prosso.
Okay.
Oh wow, I took over his wall. I'm gonna take this.
supposed to be live right now, but I have no idea if it's actually live.
Come on, boys.
Hopefully we are.
I can check in just a second.
Grasso. DSC?
Bruh.
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 Brother.
DSC?
Did that just happen?
What are you talking about?
Did that just happen? Okay. Somebody had troops and they just got demolished for some reason out of the middle of nowhere. It was kind of funny. Oh no, there they are. Never mind, I'm just blind.
DSC?
Mess up his fields. Mess up his fields. Screw up his. You don't have anybody on your fields, brother.
Not right now, I don't. I've been having to do other things.
Alright, we just gotta cull your population a little bit. You know, just a wee bit.
This looks like right here.
You butthead. Yeah.
Alright, now move on.
Grasso.
How dare you? You're just screwing with me right now.
I definitely am. Yes.
Why? Why would you do this?
Well,
because he can.
Yeah.
I guess. Yeah. I'm terrible at this game, but like, bruh.
Nah, you got this. I just had to cull your population. That way you don't get any crazy thoughts anytime soon. You know, don't try to, encroach.
You think I was actually gonna attack you before long? Like,
hey, dude, you never know, man.
You see my face develop. Like, come on.
No. No. No.
How do I not have enough metal?
Attacked.
DSC?
Aw, darn, here, reinforcement. Alright.
DSC?
I was kind of hoping I could sneak around and take your town center while you weren't looking.
What the crap are you trying to do, Mr. Elephant Guy? Stop running.
Grasso.
He's just like walking the opposite way of that I was telling him to go. I'm like, what?
Yeah, I made the elephant move away from you.
Oh.
Alright, put that storehouse over there. All of y'all go get me that metal.
DSC? Grasso.
Let's get all of you back over here.
The lag is real.
I know, right?
Welcome to 080.
Secret agent man. Will he notice me? Probably not.
Hopefully my men will be done baking soon.
Yes, I wish you much luck, man. Oh, can I do it?
And you call it baking. Interesting. I didn't know you cooked people. That's weird.
Am I gonna get away with it?
Why are you attacking me? Why are you attacking poor old me? I'm just slowly trying to build it up.
Just gonna
Thanks
take.
for helping me make some room in the population cap.
I've been attacked by Hipdad. Oh, fuck. Where am I getting attacked from him at? Row, that's no good. Oh, way up here.
DSD?
I didn't even realize I was getting attacked.
Okay, OBS is supposed to be streaming right now, but I have no idea if I'm actually live.
Sprungles was attacking you this whole time. I didn't know you guys were up there. I just seen Sprungles hitting you with his one little horsey.
Yeah, I wasn't even paying attention to those guys.
Oh, that's because I hit fucking record. God damn it. So I was recording that whole time. Okay. I am currently distracted, playing 080 with the boys, sitting here making sure that my mic is not set to a mono channel. You know, all the good stuff.
TST?
Which hopefully it's not.
Yep, no, it confirmed it is working. Is the game like paused right now?
No.
No?
Oh, it
It's
might
like
be
super
lagging.
hard. Yeah. It's just a little laggy right now.
TST?
I would say it's probably about 10 FPS for everybody. Sound about right?
DSD?
Yeah.
Yeah, something like that.
Let's see, that is 3 so far.
DSD? DSD?
Maybe it's time for 0AD to get some better server infrastructure.
080 is peer-to-peer. There is no server infrastructure.
Oh. Okay, that's actually kind of
That's
interesting.
why it uses ton servers.
DSD?
That means all of us are playing on. Is it basically being hosted by Zany's computer then?
Essentially.
Yeah.
That's
Or is it-
interesting. Okay. By storehouse. That storehouse was positioned in such a place so that anything that would spawn through there could not fit through there. Come on, guys. Work the wood. That's what you're supposed to be there for. My mic on the stream is way too low. Oh, it is. It is. Okay.
We are still waiting on action right now.
Sound settings, input volume all the way up. Volume levels, yeah.
DSD? DSD?
I'm gonna have
so-
to go out and attack here soon. So I need to clear up some population.
I got enough stuff in here. Okay, so now we can go destroy Oglo. Okay.
DSD?
No. People come in my way?
Nope.
Oh. Oh, what's this? Oh. Oh. Okay. Mmm. This is juicy.
What?
Juicy? Yum.
Juicy is the word you use. Okay.
Yeah, I found someone's territory.
Oh.
Didn't find mine.
It's purple, whoever that is.
Yeah. You
Not
didn't find
me.
mine. You might have found one of my watchtowers, but you didn't find me.
Why is Sprungles attacking me now? Sprungles, what kind of fucking ideas you got?
Dude,
What is this
I'm
bullshit?
not attacking you. I'm just over here building shit.
Best cut it out.
Who decided to attack you? Oh my god. Why?
Ogla, you're making this too easy.
What?
What the fuck? What the fuck?
I mean, actually, no, 40 archers almost baked.
Yeah, it's still too easy.
Oh, I know it. Oh, wow.
Your town center's not gonna last. Still too low. Okay,
You know, you really
turn
don't
the
need to
desktop
be
down a
doing
little bit
that.
more. Mike.
Really need to stay away from that right there. That specifically is good to me.
Oh shit!
And
fall.
it really
in there. Okay, okay. Ogla's down. Everybody, come back.
No. No.
You.
I told you weren't gonna last.
Who, me?
No. No.
DSD?
The glory. It didn't last.
You know, Zany, you could have just hung out somewhere else for a while, you know? I mean,
Yeah.
I know we've got a history and everything, but, you know.
Look, I love you, dude.
This is just really not cool.
This is just how I show my love. I express my love.
How's my mic sound now, Chris?
Sounds good to me.
Well, I'm asking, like, the stream chat.
DSD?
But you said my name.
Well, I'm sorry. There's a guy in the chat that's going like, my name's Chris, and your microphone's too quiet.
And hopefully you got it fixed.
I did turn it up.
Sprungles, I swear.
What?
Cut that shit out.
Sprungles. Okay, Mr. Sprungles. Let's see here.
Do you keep sending people my way? Is that what's happening? And then my guys are trying to attack yours?
I don't know.
Well, that's why they're
Somehow
running
I keep getting notifications that you're attacking me. I don't know where. I don't know how. I don't
I've
know.
not been doing shit trying
Why
to
is
attack anyone.
sending Sprungles wood?
Why not?
Why?
Why not?
Okay. This is so interesting.
If you're gonna
No,
send
it's not
stuff
in-
around, you can send me.
What do you need
I
there,
need stuff.
Mr. Big Pod?
Metals.
I need
Metals?
population cap.
Let's see here. There you go. That's a little bit.
Thanks.
Dang it! I didn't know you could send people stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And barter. Wow.
Yeah, and I even give him stuff that I needed.
Oh, Oglo left the game?
I killed him.
Well, I was defeated. I just stuck around for a little bit to see what was going on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like I mean, just so you know, after you get defeated, you can still spectate the game. Like you don't gotta leave.
Yeah.
That battering ram, Zany.
What the crap is happening?
Now you can, when you lose the game, you can stay in the game and watch. The whole map opens up to you.
Yeah, I know. That's what I did for a little while, because I was defeated by, Purple. Whoever that was.
That's Josh, I think.
Nah. You're making me sound like a threat.
Well, isn't the entire game about how much of a threat you can be?
Nice. How good of an ally you can be to your enemies.
Okay, so I found Josh's army.
DST?
All right, well, I'm gonna get going. It's 6:10 on my end.
Yeah, it's
so...
called. Finding Josh is easy. What you do is you find the watchtowers and you follow the watchtowers, right?
There you go, Joshy.
All right, see ya.
You enjoying that, Josh?
Bye, y'all.
See you later.
Bye bye.
So you.
I'm supposed to have text over the game on OBS, but I don't know why OBS isn't respecting the text setting.
Okay. You're getting pretty much everything I got.
What the fuck? You're giving someone else your shit?
What are you doing to me right now? What are you doing to me right now?
Nothing.
You're totally terrorizing my town and taking it down to nothing. So why do I need food, wood, and iron and all that stuff? Why do I need it? I'm going to be dead, so we might as well put it to good use, defeating you.
I don't think so. I think that's a bad plan.
Oh, I am dead. I am so dead.
It just like won't let me build walls in a certain area. Why? Why? Okay.
DST?
Yeah. Yeah, why should I not put my resources to
Okay, I guess it's over for me.
Or well, all I got now is wood and some stone.
Why people just keep randomly disappearing? Why? Hang on here.
Are you sending everybody at me, Big Pod?
Yeah, because I am about to die.
I'm pretty sure we're all about to die.
No, I mean,
I haven't lost a single troop to you yet, man.
Praso. DST?
Okay, and I won't lose a civic center to you. Wanna bet?
Are you gonna blow it up?
Exactly.
oh wow.
I don't
That's
see that
nice.
reinforced, so I think I can claim it.
Okay, well, I didn't expect that to happen, but that's nice.
Wait a second. Do people die whenever they're building things?
No, they come out. They'll come out from the buildings and fight.
Nope, never mind. There's a Zany.
Okay.
DST?
There's a Zany. We've got to defend ourselves from Zany.
DST?
Okay, you ready there, Mr. Josh?
I'm
my last dying resources.
Oh, why thanks, sir.
Oh, I've given you thousands and thousands of resources.
I've noticed.
DST?
So that means thousands and thousands of zany deaths are owed me.
Well, I wish him the best of luck at getting that.
Come on, why are you all running the wrong goddamn direction?
DST?
Stop trying to kill Big Pod the one person and get over here and fight with the boys.
DST? DST? DST?
There. Now I want to watch the carnage.
DST?
Where you at, Mr. Josh?
Praso.
I see him that you lost.
Yeah. But I gave resources to you and I gave a ton to Josh. Okay. So that means that Zany's attacking Big Pod right now, I think. No? Okay. You guys come to an agreement of some kind. That's okay.
DSC?
Guys should be attacking your little moving house. I can't believe you didn't take over those other arsenals. Okay, whatever. Oh, isn't they just so cute? He's just so precious over here. This is... Wow. Dude. I gotta say, you outdone yourself. Why would Sprungles need... Oh, okay. Never mind. I was looking at the wrong way. I thought Big Pod was Sprungles. Okay.
Yes, Ben, I'm aware that's supposed to be distro hacking and not gaming.
I mean, hey, we can call this distro hacking, right?
It's called I am getting distracted because, you know, the guy that is subject of distro hacking decided that he was going to start up a game of 0 AD, and then I lost complete track of time. So, of course.
Hey. We agreed to play 0 AD.
Yeah, first. Yeah.
Oh my goodness, he's already sending backup.
Prato. DSC?
Oh, come on.
You can do it, Josh. You can do it.
Oh my god. He is going to be able to overwhelm me.
My gosh, this is looking promising. My plan for revenge is looking promising. It's okay, Ben. It's progressing.
Yeah, I might have to forfeit here in a second. Because I think Josh is going to end up taking me over. And I'm not going to make it exceedingly long.
Yeah, but I wanted it to be exceedingly excruciating while you die.
You're just upset. It's okay. I know it was wrong of me.
I am not upset. I'm totally freaking pissed off.
Well, I'm sorry for coming after you at the start. I had to, buddy.
I know. Because you knew I was going to build a bunch of them things.
Yep.
You saw all 4 of them up there, didn't you?
I know what you're doing. I know what you're capable of.
You just do me one solid. Let him get to your wall.
Oh no.
I don't care.
Oh no, he's coming to the wall.
I don't care how far.
DSC?
I mean, how quick you give up. I just want to see him hit your wall.
I think he's going to make it to the wall, brother. I don't think that's a problem.
DSC?
Because all them units there are made from my wood.
No, that's just how little of my units have actually died.
Oh, okay.
Dude,
Yeah, because I didn't get all the
this
forge
is a-
upgrades.
The heck is wrong with this wall? Man, it's not even a completely encircled wall, man. It's a disappointment. It's literally just a roadblock.
Yep.
Exactly. That's what it's supposed to be.
Yeah. You should see around this town center. That's what, earlier I was like, I'm truly impressed, Josh. I think that's, yeah. I mean, if you don't give up, okay, this situation, even if Josh put every single thing he had, is still going to take an hour and a half to get through.
What a piece of surprise.
Seriously. Yeah. Yeah, I'm truly impressed.
Just come around.
Yeah, now that there's a town center in there. Okay.
Oh no, they've made their way inside.
Yep.
Oh no. Raise the alarm. Get into your respective spots.
TSD.
Garrison y'all up over here.
Oh, I see.
There you
In order
go.
to blow up a section of the wall, I have to blow up a tower. Okay, okay.
TSD?
I'm not used to fighting walls.
TSD?
And so obviously,
Yeah.
obviously hit the Civic Center first.
Why are my guys dying? It's so weird.
TSD?
This makes like no sense.
Shit, this is gonna be so funny. Man, your wonder is huge.
I know it is.
No, I mean his.
Oh.
Let me see yours. I'll tell you a comparison here. Yeah, yours is pretty huge too. Yeah, yeah.
All right, let's see how he does getting into my main base. All he's got to do is come take my main base. I mean, he's wiped me down to pretty much nothing. I can still fight, but I mean,
But still, if he doesn't pick the right point, it could be an hour and a half.
yeah. And if I'm able to pump out all these guys and attack him here in a sec,
TSD?
I'll be doing just fine.
TSD? TSD?
I'm down to 2 rams left.
What?
I gotta go in there and at least fix the one.
You know what, Josh?
Yeah?
I mean, Zany,
Yeah.
out of all your defenses, look. The one spot. You should play the lottery, Josh.
I should?
Yeah.
Oh.
Face follow man.
Now you can repair those battering rams, can't you?
Yep. That's why I still have 2.
Yep. Yeah, I can't believe he was able to guess and get the one spot. That was amazing.
Come on, hit the Civic Center.
Come on, get into where the barracks is. Come on now. Some bullshit.
Jesus Christ, there are so many fucking towers.
Yeah.
That's the
Being shot
point.
from everywhere.
I'm dead. This is dumb.
There you go.
I have been wiped out. Let's see. How's Big Pod doing? Oh, wait. Is Big Pod already have you already killed Big Pod? What the heck?
Yeah. Sprungles is the only one left.
That's ironic, because I'm doing terrible.
I mean this in the most honest way, Sprungles, but you're right.
I have no, like, no second thoughts on that, like, at all. Like, I know I'm not very good at this.
Your
but you can
fields
get good.
Your fields should be
originally
right up against your civic center, so the people farming them can go back and forth much faster. Because you see how they're having to walk really far to get back.
Yep.
And also, it should just be women on fields, and you should have 5 of them on each field.
And your little your storehouse should always be up next to your wood or your stone or your metal. Your
Ben, I'm aware that we're late.
Your farmstead should be up against your.
I've got to go
fields
check
and
out
food.
distro hacking, because it sounds like Ben would crack me up, because he sounds very ready for us to move on from 0AD.
Yeah. Yeah.
I have to see it. Hold on.
Where are? Oh,
what the heck? Mute. There we go.
Jesus Christ, they're everywhere.
Oh my gosh. Ben, it's
We're-
okay,
we're-
brother.
We're sorry, Ben.
We're gonna do it. It's all right.
Oh, Sprinkles one defender.
Wait, Josh, how have you... Hold on. How have you not gotten him yet?
Oh, how have I not what?
Like, have you not found him?
No, I know exactly where he is.
Oh, okay.
He's right up here.
Oh, you're trying to prepare?
I think he's just being.
No, okay. I literally lost like you're the only one to have caused me to lose more than 30% of my forces.
You don't have to wait,
So,
dog.
like, no, I have to rebuild some stuff. You know, I only had 2
Yeah.
battering rams.
Yeah, but
It would have
But you
taken
do
too
have-
long.
you do have distro hacking to do.
This is hilarious.
Okay, they're close enough. We can start sending some troops this way.
Here in a minute, I think I actually have to get in a call with Alex and Jesse, because it's 4:30 his time now. Yep, and there it is. I'll talk to you guys later.
Bye.
Have a good one. See ya.
What is this, a palisade? Dude, if you're gonna build a wall, at least wrap it around your territory. Don't just divide it between you and Zany. I'll just walk right around it.
Well, I think it was mainly built for me. keep me out. Why? Why attack that little piece of palisade?
Because I just wanted to do an attack.
Gotta say that was probably the most fun I've had in a while. Even though Josh, you're a bitch.
Pringles, are you not even going to defend yourself, man?
He doesn't really have any people.
No.
Oh, you left.
No, there's,
okay.
Yeah. There's nothing there.
Yeah.
I would, we need to train Party. I would love to see us get Party to be right up there with your level, Josh. And then everybody who's ever played before, they just gonna be like, what?
I don't know about that one.
Yeah.
All right. So I need to hop over to the distro hacking.
All right,
Yeah, I
I'll
need to
join you
tune
there. And I don't know. Should I keep the stream going? Should I stream distro hacking myself?
No, because then you'd have all the viewers for yourself.
That's true. That's true.
Yeah, send everybody over to Distro
Send
hacking.
everybody my way, man.
So
Yeah.
true. So true.
Share the love.
Let's raid. Even though it's not Twitch
You
at
know,
all. Here we go.
Make
I'm
up
gonna
for
post.
your aggressiveness toward me.
I'm gonna post the distro hacking link, and I will be over there in just a sec. So see you, boys. Have a good one.